What's up? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Good morning, Scott. What's up, Time to Eat family? Good morning, good morning, good morning, Green. Good morning, Eddie. What's good? What's the deal, y'all? What's the deal? How y'all feeling? Everybody doing good? Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. Hey, happy Monday. Don't be rude. Say it back. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. We live. It's a new week. It's a new month. It's a new day. Happy Monday. Nikolowski's in the building bright and early. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Let's get Zoom set up here. Happy Monday. Come on, don't be rude. Say it back. Say it back. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys are ready to get back in action, back to work. Feels good, right? Feels good to be back at the desk. Feels good. All right. We got interest rates this week. Should be interesting. Remind me mañana. Alrighty. We missed you, Nick. Oh man, I missed you guys too. I really did. Nothing like Monday morning, man. Friday on our departure, I'm always like, man. 2 days now. 2 days. Where the rest of the world is saying, thank God it's Friday. We're saying, thank God it's Monday, right? Because we're passionate about what we do. We believe in what we do, right? We believe in our goals. We believe in the dreams that we have. That's why we show up here every day. And it all starts with showing up, right? So it all begins with the desire to believe you can do it. And then that desire backed by faith in showing up every day. And making sure that you're here, right? Making sure you are learning, making sure you are growing in the areas in which you believe can improve your life. And I'll be the first one to tell you, trading can absolutely improve your life. And it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of discipline. and stacking wins up, right? So every day is a day to win the day, and today is no difference. It's going to take patience, like John says. It's going to take discipline, and it's going to take continuing to do what we've been doing, right? We had a great month in April. If you guys didn't have a great month, man, let this month be the month, right? Let this month be the month that you finally stop playing with this thing. Seriously. Let it be the month that you make a decision right here, right now. Hey, from Monday on, from today on, I'm going to be disciplined. I'm not going to break my rules. I'm not going to get all caught up in volume and caught up in the hype, right? I'm going to stick to the plan. I'm going to stick to what I know that works. Let this month be the month, man. Last month is gone. Whether you had a great month or a horrible month, it's gone. But let this month be that turning point for you. Let it be that turning point, right? If you've been breaking your rules, if you've been struggling, if you've been, finding it hard to basically have self-control, say this month, things start new. We're turning over a new leaf. And all it's going to take is patience and discipline and following your plan. It's not deeper than that, gang. It's really not. So let's get to it here. We got some news, we got a breakdown, we got all different sorts of stuff going on here this morning. One sec. Did I share that Zoom link? All right, perfect. So let's take a look. Monday, May 1st. So new month, baby. New month, new week. It is time to get after it. It is time to make it happen. So we got May 1st. We got a bank holiday here, bank holiday in the pound, but USD, we got ISM manufacturing here at 10 a.m. So we are pretty clear for most of the day here. So most of our sessions should be pretty smooth sailing. Again, first day of the week, first day of the month. So let's see what we got going on over here. So brand new month here on gold. Brand new month. And ladies and gentlemen, we have officially closed above this resistance. Man, this is gold's all-time high right here. This is it. This is the resistance, right? This is the one that we've been looking at, the one that we've rejected time and time again. And here we are. We are officially closed above. So gold seems pretty bullish, right? I know that they're going to be coming out with interest rates this week. I know that they're going to be talking about inflation this week. So we'll see what happens here, right? But pretty bullish based off of the monthly time frame here. March we really established that support, right? And then April we pushed up and we were able to close above this resistance. So perfect, right? We got that closure. Now gold's gonna continue up, right? We're gonna get some news. I'm sure it'll push gold down a little bit. I'm expecting a steeper bottom wick here on the monthly time frame with interest rates. But then once they do run the inflation numbers, gold should continue back up here. Let me just lower this music a little bit. Right, so let's take a look at the monthly time frame. So very bullish here, man. Very bullish, right? If we take a look, we basically retraced this whole move here. Retraced it, came up, stopped that resistance, eventually closed above, and now officially closing above the strongest resistance we have here. So not bad, man, not bad. Gold making some moves here. About to break all-time highs. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, we are pretty bullish here, right? We've actually created a really nice bottom wick. Wow, in just a couple hours here on the weekly candles. So one thing that we can say on the weekly is that we had a very strong push up, and then we struggled in this area a little bit with this wick fill here. We close with no top wick, right, on this candle. What's one thing we know about candles that close with no top wick? There's really no range for the next candle to drive, right? So that's why you've seen this candle close bearish, create resistance. The next one closed bearish. This one closed bullish. We've created a support. And now we, broke above, came back down, and establish this support here. So price should continue up, right? Everything's pointing toward gold moving north here. So let's spread this out a little bit, right? You had this resistance here that we actually closed above it. I was looking at this on Friday or Saturday, and I was thinking, man, if we closed below, we would have had a sellery play to continue down, and that actually could have made sense for a monthly bottom wick, right? To come down pretty steep, basically have the weekly candle push down like this, right? That would be creating that monthly bottom wick for price to, you know, continue pushing up. But now that I'm looking at it a little bit more clear, it looks like this bullish candle right here actually did close above. So pretty interesting. We should be able to flip and fill this wick here this week. So let's take a look at the daily time frame, because the daily is pretty choppy, right? Daily's pretty choppy. We know we have a support right here, and we know we have a new support right here now, right? Candle closed bearish, next one closed bullish. We've created a support. The next resistance is up top here, and then we also have a very nasty resistance right here on the top of this consolidation here. So let's take a look at what these wicks represent, what this wick represents on the lower time frames, because we are pretty bullish, right? We're bullish on the monthly, we're bullish on the weekly, and we're bullish on the daily. So everything points in the way of gold pushing up here. Now this daily candle has created a bottom wick, and one thing about this bottom wick is it has never broken the previous bottom wick. So it came all the way down, and right before that wick it decided to pull back up. So if we break this high today, there's a very, very high chance we come up and fill this wick and possibly fill this wick today. So it just depends on how much volume, and we've noticed a lot of volume here on Mondays. Tell me not, chat, have we not seen volume like crazy over the last like three or four Mondays? It's been crazy. Mondays have been crazy. So let's take a look at the 4 hour, because if we're looking for buys here today, mainly how are we gonna find buys, right? So pretty simple. You had this 4 hour candle push down with no bottom wick. Now this candle's pushing up, so we could say we have a support right here and a resistance right here on the 4 hour time frame, right? So now what's happening is price is just in this range right here. It's trading in this range, and above this range is very clean traffic, right? So let's go ahead, let's take a look at what this looks like on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, you have a strong resistance right here. This has been our resistance, I believe, since Thursday. Yeah, since Thursday last week. This has been our resistance. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30. Same resistance as well. So yeah, I believe if we can get a closure above here on the 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame, then we are good to take buys here today. That should also lead to the daily candle breaking the high. Let's take a look at that. Daily time frame, yes. So if we can get a closure above this range here, that would mean our daily candle is breaking the high. And what's going to happen if this daily candle breaks its own high? If this daily candle flips bullish now, breaks its own high, there is an extremely high chance that we continue to move up again to fill these wicks. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the monthly as well. I mean the weekly. Weekly, that would be breaking the weekly high as well. So that resistance right there is very, very powerful. If we can get a closure above that, you have super clean candles pushing up here to, I think it's like 2004, right? 2003, 500, 2004, super clean traffic. This right here is beautiful, right? If I'm trading, this is what I want to take advantage of. I want to take advantage of a range that looks just like this, especially with a bullish bias. right? Especially with a bullish bias. So that's going to be what we're looking to take advantage of here today, or that's going to be what I'm looking to take advantage of here today. Full TP is going to be up here at 2000, 2001. See what that looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour candle closes above here. Very, very high chance we come back into this little liquidity range up here. So yeah, I'll be looking to take buys above 1992 500 here today, or 486 to be exact, to continue pushing up. So this super clean range. And then if we're looking for sells here today, let's take a look. Yeah, I probably would have been okay with taking buys above here today as well. Right above here, clean traffic to the left. You had a candle close. What time was that? That was 6 a.m. So I wasn't even really paying attention, but yeah, 6 a.m. I would have been cool with probably taking a position. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, this, you know what's pretty cool? You know what I've been looking at quite a bit is anytime a 4 hour candle closes with no bottom wick, when the bias is bullish and it's like down here, like making basically the daily bottom wick, literally jumping in a buy right off the rip. Like literally once the candle closes, jumping in a buy if it closes with no bottom wick and we're bullish on the day. Or if it's a bullish candle and it closes with no top wick and we're bearish on the day, man, there's a high chance that the next candle just pushes. So that's something I've been looking at. Something I'm definitely not gonna execute on for a while, but just something I've been watching. And it makes a lot of sense. Like, look at this 4 hour candle here. Just pushing. But anyway, so yeah, we'll take our buys above 1992 here today, 486. We got a nice clean range. Let's see what this range is. This is a 85 to 90 pip range, so more than enough for me. Sells today are not really the best, right? They're not really looking that great. No time frame is talking about sells right now. So yeah, sells are going to be below 1977 if we even get there. I doubt it, unless we create some sort of range somewhere over here like this, you know, then maybe we can get our sells coming back down. But other than that, nothing really sticks out to me for taking sells here today. So yeah, so that's gonna be the day here. So sells below 1977 for now. If that changes throughout the session, we'll make some adjustments, but I'm excited about taking buys above 1992 here today. Because if we get a closure above here, we should get a really nice pop. Really nice pop. So cool. So that's gonna be the day here. It's Monday. Everyone just relax. Everyone just chill. Remember what we talked about when I opened the stream? Let this be the month that you're not jumping all over the place in the markets, taking multiple trades, taking losses for no reason. Let this be the month that you just sit back and chill and wait for your setup. Let the market convince you, not the other way around, right? We get paid here to pretty much do nothing. Right? I was talking to my brothers about this yesterday. We get paid to do nothing. The problem is you guys can't just sit and do nothing. You have to do, you feel like you just have to do something, right? And I think a lot of that stems from society, right? And you work to get paid. You got to go somewhere to do something, right, in order to get paid. But here it's the opposite, right? You got to come here and be good at just not doing anything. Right? You just got to chill. So yeah, that's gonna be gold, guys. So pretty much today, I'm gonna wait for a close outside of this range. So I'm not gonna touch anything in here. We'll talk about this second range down here later, but most likely not gonna touch anything at all in these ranges here today. That could change depending on if we get some sort of a range to form in here. But that's pretty much going to be a no trade range here for me on this Monday. And this is going to be all clean for me right here. Anything above, again, anything above, what is it, 1982, 92 is pretty clean here. This is going to be the cleanest range that you could possibly trade in today. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. So that is the day here on gold. I am expecting a little bit of a pullback, right? If we can get some candles to pull back here on the 30-minute time frame. We have about an hour until the NY opens. So if we can get some candles to close bearish, you know, create some sort of support to push back up, that would be lovely here today. All right. And then what we'll do is we'll take our buys, coming back up in this clean range. Cool. Confirmation candle, trading candle. Simple. Simple, simple. Good morning, King Michi. Good morning, John. What up, boys?
Good morning, brother. Good morning, chat. How we doing?
How we doing? How we doing? You ready to do nothing today?
Yeah.
You ready to do nothing and make some money?
Chill. Literally.
What up, John?
What up, my boy?
Hey, yo, what up, King Machete?
King Michi, bro, not Machete.
Oh, shit.
Yo.
Cannot read that.
You good, you good. Donald, what's up, bro? Good morning. Good morning, Gary Denver Henry. What's good, boys? What's good? Z Gamers in the house. What's good, what's good? Mr. Cartel, good morning. Crim C2, what's going on? Nikolovsky in the building. What's good, everybody? Happy Mondays. We love Mondays because we love what we do. Nicholas, what a name. What a name. Good morning, Forex trader. What's good, everybody? Brother Joe, what's going on? Good morning, Michael. Ewan's in the building. We wait. Be good at being picky. Yeah, exactly. What about GJ? We're going to get to GJ now. We're going to get to GJ right now. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well. So let's take a look. So monthly time frame on GJ. Oh, close with no top wick. Interesting. So let's take a look here at this monthly time frame. So pound yen has been pushing up off the monthly time frame. We closed, looks like we closed above this resistance. The only problem is that we closed with no top wick, right? So there's a very high chance that this candle is going to start pushing down now. There's a very high chance as well that by the end of May, you can see somewhat of a fake out looking like this, right? For us to start continuing down, I believe, so we can make some sort of retracement, right? Down into these levels maybe, and create a support, because we all know pound yen is pretty bullish here, right? So I think we just need a pullback to continue the run. Very clean traffic to the left-hand side on GJ. So yeah, I think we should be able to continue running, but we're probably going to see something like this occur over the next couple months. So we may have a month or two of some bearish volume here on pound yen, just a healthy pullback, right? Same thing with the weeklies though. If we move this resistance up, the weekly closed just below with no top wick. So anytime you see a candle with no top wick, usually you'll see the next candle pop really quick early in the candle and then start to make its way down. It's just a common thing that I see candles do. But we all know that when a candle closes with no top wick, there's really no range for the next candle to drive, right? When a candle closes with a top wick, right, like this, then this top wick up here what it does is it represents a range, and that range allows the next candle to continue moving up to fill the range. Something like this, right? That's why you guys hear the term wick fill, right? So this is a wick fill. So if a candle doesn't have no top wick, a bullish candle, then there's a very high chance that the next candle really won't have room to drive, right? Look at this candle, close with no top wick, no room for price to continue down. This candle right here, it's very small top wick. You see the candle pop, push down, right? So you'll find this a very common thing, right? No top wick, push down, no top wick, push down, right? So very common, very common. So we see this all the time. But yeah, weekly's bullish. I'm expecting, again, no top wick. I'm expecting a pullback regardless. Even if there was a top wick, I'm expecting a pullback here. I mean, we have not seen a bearish candle since this support down here, right? So we've pushed up and filled this entire range here with no bearish candles. So definitely expecting somewhat of a pullback to continue back up, right? That would make sense on the monthly. That makes sense on the weekly. Let's try and make sense of that on the daily. Daily close, no top wick as well. So each candle here closed with no top wick. We're getting that rejection now. We closed right below resistance. Above that though, I believe is pretty clean traffic. Yeah. So based off of the daily candle, right, price action does say we are bullish. So we will still be open for buys here today. It's just a matter of where we're gonna take them, right? And we are open for sells as well. So if we come down and make a steep bottom wick and re-break the high, I can see us probably pushing up a little bit. But let's take a look at what that looks like on the 4 hour, right? So 4 hour time frame has closed bearish here with no bottom wick. So right now it looks like you're trying to form some sort of support. And if we look at here, we have a support being formed, right, off of the 1 hour time frame. So if we're gonna look for buys here today, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. I think we can probably say, yeah, I think we could take buys if we can get a closure above this resistance here on the 15-minute. Then we could probably look to take buys, but probably won't be touching pound yen today because it is a pound holiday. And then sells would have to be range 2 below here, but gonna be super patient here. Probably not really gonna look at pound yen much today, just because, you know, there's a bank holiday. There shouldn't be too much volume, and you know, I'd rather focus on gold here. So either way, this is probably gonna be pretty simple on GJ, right? Super simple, right? Sells, range 2 sells below here, meaning that if we get a closure below, I will not be taking sells right off this breakout, right? I want to see some candles push down. I want to see a support being formed right here, like something like this. I want to see another candle continue up, create some sort of resistance, and then we could possibly look to take sells coming back down, right? But other than that, sells are, right, you gotta, so basically range 1, so range 1 is right here, a little sloppy, but range 1, range 2, we get this breakout here, then we have clean candles coming down. So this is where I would look to take sells today, but we would need a resistance, we would need a support, and we would need a closure below, and then I would look to participate in some sells here today. But probably not even gonna touch GJ here today. Again, bank holiday right now, so not too concerned here with GJ. But that will be the ranges I'll look to play in here. So basically no trade range here, staying out of this range completely, and this is probably where you're gonna spend the session here today. It's probably just gonna range, but anything above this level here is gonna be pretty good for me up until this resistance up here, and then range 2 sells below here are really nice also. All right, so nothing here, good money, good money. right? You want to make some money, stay in these ranges. You want to lose some money, negative money in here, positive money up here, positive money below here. All right, simple. Now we wait. Now we play the waiting game. Right, John? Our favorite game to play.
Yep. Now we have the most chillest part of our job. We literally just sit down at the computer and just stare at the computer, literally.
If you weren't on stream,
just, like, think about it, chat. Think about how chill our job is.
if you weren't on the stream, you'd just be staring at the chart. So just stare at the chart. You have instead you have me to entertain you.
You're getting paid to just sit out, you know, sit down at your desk and stuff, chill.
Where's your camera, bro? No camera?
Oh shit.
No camera. Oh, we got blue today.
Yeah. Switch it up.
Bluey blue.
Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Red FX.
The young boys in the house.
Yeah. Remember, chat? Like I said every day, let's focus on these two things, and we'll win the day. Let's focus on patience and discipline.
That's it.
That's it. We focus on patience and discipline, we win the day today.
That's it. Literally. And I was telling these guys, like, it's a new month, man. Like, let this month be the month you cut out the BS. Seriously, yep. Like,
literally, new month. And this is the month for you.
Have some self-control this month. Right on your computer screen, right up top. Self-control.
Word. Facts.
Self-control. And not only self-control here, but in your life.
Yeah.
Just practice self-control, right? Practice self-control, whether it's in your diet, whether it's in your workout, whether it's in your trading, whether it's in your positivity, right? Stop getting negative over the littlest things. All these things add up and matter, because you bring these into the charts with you. As I posted on Friday, right? The market, all it does is tick. That's all it does. You see the market the way you see life, right? So if you're not being patient, that tells me that in life you're just probably not a patient person, right? But these things could be developed, right? These things could be, it's not like you're born one way. You're not born a tree. Like, you can move, like you can think, right? God gave you a brain. You can do anything you want with it. So 100%. These practices can be learned. They could be established, right? It's just gotta be consciously done, right? You gotta consciously do it, and do it on purpose for long enough until it becomes just a natural swing for you, right? Just a natural swing.
Yeah, man.
That's it.
100%. The way you are as a trader is the way you are in life too. So you can, by you doing this in trading, you can really do it in your other areas of life as well. You can. So, and it's all in the doing, you know, it's starting today, and you're repenting from those mistakes that you're doing and that you're making, you know, it starts today. It's all about in the doing. So here's the new month to do it, and just focus on it.
Yeah.
Like I said, let's focus on winning just each day. Like, let's not focus about Friday, let's not focus about tomorrow, let's just focus about winning today. Yep. Being patient and disciplined today. Following the plan today. Right?
Yeah, tomorrow we'll
build the wins.
Yeah, we'll worry about all that stuff for tomorrow. Let's focus on that today though, right? 100%. Let's focus on it today.
Don't worry about who you are as a trader in a year. Like, focus on being a professional trader today.
Yeah. And believe you can do it, right? I know that sounds silly, 100%. But most of you just don't believe you can do it. You got to get over that hurdle, right? This isn't just meant for the Q Banks, for the James Storms, for you know, the Don Bows, the Raja Banks. Like, this is meant for you too. This is meant for anybody that wants to step out, take ownership over their life, and learn the skill set. right? Don't be a spectator, right? Believe you can play in the game. Believe you can not only play in the game, but win the freaking game, man. Win this freaking game.
Definitely don't look down on yourself, you know, like you gotta be confident. If you want to be successful at anything, you have to be confident. So start with some confidence.
I was doing a little bit of reading, and it was telling a story about how this one guy, they did the company's like whole like inventory on what everyone did for the year, and this one guy, we'll call him Harry, right? Harry, they noticed that his numbers were like 5 times more than anyone else's numbers, and they called a meeting together, and they're like, listen, like Harry's got 5 times the amount of income that you guys made this year. Now, is Harry like 5 times better than you guys? I don't think so. We've looked at his test scores, right? We've looked at his personality traits. He's not that he's 5 times better. It's not that he worked 5 times harder. This guy Harry actually took off more time than any of the people who he was like in competition with. And it's not that he was smarter. It's not that he worked longer. It's not that he had a better territory in his sales that he was covering. And it was very simple. He simply just believed more. He just believed he could do it more, right, than the other guys. And that alone separated him. That alone put him in the top 1% of this sales company. Simply because he believed, not because he was better, not because he talked better, because he had better contacts, nothing. He just simply believed bigger and thought bigger, right? So it's time to dream and think a little bit bigger, gang. Whatever you're dreaming,
100%.
dream bigger. I'm telling you, up it up a notch.
Let your imagination soar.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man. Confidence is key. Believe in yourself, man. Knowing you can get it. Like you guys, everyone should have self-talk, and everyone should be saying that to themselves every day. That you believe you could do it, and whatever your goal is, and that you know you can get it.
1,000,000%, right?
You say that every day, shit, man. You're gonna be dangerous.
Dangerous. Real dangerous.
Oh, yeah.
But how was your weekend, bro?
Pretty good.
Good.
Pretty chill. What about you?
It was great, man. Very good.
Nice, very nice. What's up?
Write down the big goals and dreams. Yes. Bible says write it down, make it plain. Believe in it.
Hell yeah.
Belief.
Yeah, man. That confidence is really important, man. Everyone in the chat, should have confidence.
Yeah. Ooh. We got a chart. This weekend was amazing. God moved. Ooh, nice. Trading view chart. So hey, when you guys send charts, you gotta write something in it too, right? You gotta let me know what I'm looking at here. Right? Unless it's this just your analysis, right? If you took a trade, you guys gotta let me know what I did, why I took the trade, where I'd seen closures, all that good stuff. But I'm not sure if this is just like what you're sending us to look at, or if you wanted me to talk about anything. But yeah, this closure right here is not bad, right? You had clean traffic to the left. Pretty nice range to trade in. Above 92 is going to be even better though. Even better. So what you speak becomes reality. Exactly. It really does though. Right? That's why self-talk. What did God do, right? You guys ever read the Bible? You guys ever read the first chapter of the Bible, Genesis? What does it say God did? God spoke, right? God said, let there be light, right? God spoke it all into existence, and he gave us the power of our tongue. I heard a pastor once talk about this, about how although on a ship, right, a big ship in crazy storms and, crazy weather can be moved and guided and directed by the smallest piece of the ship which is the rudder, right? The rudder controls the entire ship. No matter how big that ship is, no matter how crazy the winds are, the storm is, or the weather is, or the waves are, it's that big old ship is being controlled by that little rudder, right? Same thing in our life, right? Our bodies, we got these big old bodies, but everything in our life is being controlled by our tongue. And our tongue is that rudder, right? Our tongue is what can direct us into, this, we go this way or go that way in life, right? It's that little tongue that's going to be the most powerful part of our body. It's the most powerful muscle that God has given us, right? Is our tongue. So use your tongue wisely. Use your tongue wisely. When you speak, make sure you're speaking the right things over your life. Make sure you never criticize people, condemn people. Make sure you never complain, right? Stop complaining. Don't be a wimp. Don't criticize people.
Don't be a loser.
Don't be a loser. Don't be a loser, man. Be a winner, right? A lot of people, man, they'll be like, I don't feel good, or I don't feel like doing this, or I feel like crap. Like, you gotta stop saying that.
Yeah.
I can never remember names. I can never, man, just so many little things that people don't even know that they're basically screwing themselves over. So pay attention 100%. To what you speak, because like Brother Joe said, what you speak becomes your reality.
100%.
Yeah, man. The tongue is one of the most powerful things we have.
Literally.
It creates life or death.
So I highly suggest everyone in the chat that you create some form of self-talk for yourself.
Yep. It will change it all for you.
Mm-hmm.
Support. Fomo.
And anyone in the chat who has a problem with thinking negatively, you really want to immediately change those thoughts into positive thoughts. Like when you catch yourself in it, like immediately change that thought to a positive thought. Same thing in trading. When you get an emotional thought, immediately change it to a logical thought in the charts.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna build you. It's gonna build your mind to be better at repenting from those thoughts, those negative thoughts and negative energies that you're doing. So.
Yeah.
Start to do that. Start to practice that.
Yeah. And when you decide to be better, you're always going to be tempted to do something again that you're trying to break away from, right? So if you're saying this is the month, I hear Nick, I want it, I want to do it. This is going to be the month. I'm not going to take any impulse entries anymore. I'm not going to, whatever it is that you're struggling with, right? Just the moment that you lay it down, the moment that you say I'm not going to do it anymore, I promise you, the temptations are going to come. Like, the test is going to come, right? And you're going to come to a point, and I'm saying, I'm not taking this. I'm not doing this because of this and because of that. And you're going to go, I want to take the trade. I believe in it. That right there, right, is going to be the test. And like John said, when that thought comes, it's your job to stay steadfast in what you plan on doing. And you plan on not doing those mistakes anymore. I don't care if the trade wins or loses. That has nothing to do with it, right? It's all about sticking with your decision, building the discipline muscle, and then it just becomes easier and easier and easier over time. So just know 100%. That if you guys are committed and you're saying this is the month, you're going to have tests this month, right? You're going to have emotions come in and test you this month. So be prepared. Be prepared for it.
Yeah.
Right?
You're going to have FOMO. Yep.
FOMO, impulsiveness. If you're prepared for a punch, you can defend it a lot better, right? But if someone sucker punches you out of nowhere and you're not thinking about you're going to feel it, right? But if you're prepared for it, then you know how to dodge it, you know how to play it. So just be prepared, those emotions are going to come in. It's your job to hold off.
Yeah, about the thinking positively and negatively. You can only think one at the time, right? You can't think both at the same time. So therefore, you're thinking one or the other. So if you're thinking negatively, you're gonna be kind of screwed, you know. So that's where you practice it. Always keep that in mind that you can only think one of them. You can't think both. So which one would you rather be thinking?
Yeah. I was just talking about my wife about this last night. We had a deep talk about this. Wow. Imagine that. A man talking to his wife about some deep conversation. Take some notes there, man.
Yeah, you gotta talk with your wife, you know? Deeply.
Hey, we got 71 people watching. Appreciate you guys. If you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel here. Also, if you haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. We're almost at 1,000. If we can get to 1,000 today, we're going to have two 20K account winners by the end of the week here. So we're almost there, gang. We've been chanting that for a little bit now, and the numbers are slowly starting to creep. So I believe we're like less than 50 away. So I know we can get that today. Patience, passion, and obedience. I love that, man. I love that. Start thinking positively and you will see all that in your life change for a better life. Yeah, you will. You will, man. This literally happened to me, gang. Like, this shift happened to me 7, 8, 9 years ago. That's why I'm able to really just talk on this, because that shift, I had that in my life, man. I had it where I started to think positively and you will see all your life changing. It all changed, man. It all changed. And I'm so grateful. So that's why I preach that message so hard, that the mind is fertile. Anything that you plant in it will grow. So you have to truly be careful what seeds you're planting in the mind, because the mind truly is a garden, my friends.
Hell yeah. Whatever you sow, you'll reap. Altitude your mind, altitude your life.
Your environment has a lot to do with it as well. A lot. Has a lot to do with it. Change your mindset, change your life. Yeah, there's a really good book called Mindset. You guys should check it out. Really, really good book. Talk about the difference between negative mindsets, positive mindsets, how to create those mindsets, right? How to get out of it. Again, the brain is fertile, the mind is fertile. What you plant in it will start to grow, right? And then whatever's going on in here comes out through the mouth. So it's very easy for me to tell when someone's reading and they're not reading, right? When they're practicing positive thinking and they're not. It's very easy to tell. Very easy. But yeah, if we can get some likes on the stream in 5, 4, everyone hit the like button at once. 3, 2, 1, like it. Yeah, like it.
Yeah. Shout out all 80 of you for doing some of your lives and wanting to get better in certain areas. That's what's up.
Yeah, man. 80 people here just trying to live a better life, right?
Yeah.
GJ.
Another day to be grateful. Like, I'm grateful. I'm not upset about what my results look like right now in Forex. I am just so grateful for the opportunity trading gave me, right? What the potential it has for me. I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so grateful to continue to get better every single day and show up here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is our big day here, Wednesday, the 3rd of May. This is gonna have a lot of volume. This is also, they're coming out with the interest rates as well, and they're looking to hike the rates. They're looking to up the rates here, so this is gonna be the biggest day this week. Obviously, we have NFP on Friday as well, unemployment rates as well. So Friday and Wednesday are going to be really big days this week.
Word.
Yeah, we got FOMC as well. We'll probably stream for FOMC for the afternoon. So you guys are more than welcome to jump on. We'll stream for a little bit on Wednesday afternoon. We'll probably start around 1:30. We'll watch a little bit of the FOMC meeting, see what Powell has to say, what he's going to talk about. You already know they're going to talk about inflation, right? They're going to talk about interest rates, that they're going up, right? So that should push gold down, and then, or should push gold up, and then they're going to talk about inflation, right? Or that should push gold down because they're going to say it's a little bit better than what it actually is, I'm sure. But then they will start talking about inflation during the meeting, and then that's going to shoot gold up as well. So what type of people do you surround yourself with? Very small circle. Very, very small circle. I need to be able to trust you around my wife and kids. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, the people you're around says a lot about you, you know, or who you surround yourself with. It's important.
Avoid negativity by all means. Surround yourself with good vibes, people, good energy. Yep. Yep. Yeah, because when you're around low value people, they're gonna reward you for spending 80 grand a year and, you know, burying your head in I don't know, a medical book or something, like you know, some of your studies for college, right? You go spend $100,000 to get into debt, and you spend hours upon hours studying some book, right? So you can get your degree, just so you can get out of college or out of that study with $100,000 in debt. But you can now find a job, right? And people go, man, he's the man. She's the man. She's amazing, right? But you spend $1,000 on a Forex mentor or a Forex course, and you start learning about it, and people say, you're crazy. Get responsible. That's irresponsible. You're risking too much. No one makes it there, right? So that's where your association really comes into play, right?
Yeah.
Take Tandy, for instance, right? Tandy could have went and did something that he just wasn't passionate about. He just didn't like. He just wasn't in it, right? Where the world would tell him, don't worry, man, just give it some time, stay consistent, you're doing the right thing, blah blah blah, like get a safe, secure paycheck. And he asked me, and I told him, bro, you need to focus on what you love to do, which is trading in his case, right? You need to figure out a way to build capital and get this thing done, right? And in the meantime, just find something that you can do to make money that requires minimal energy, and go out and kill it, bro. Instead of making 100 grand in a year, go make 100 grand in a week, in a month, in a day, right? Never settle, you know? So you got to have guys in your corner that can point you in the right direction, when most of the world is just pointing you in the wrong direction, or the most common direction, right? Where what most people go, right? My mentor told me, look around, look what most people are doing, and do the complete opposite. And if average people tell you you're crazy, take it as a compliment. He would tell me, take it as a compliment, you know. And then people used to tell me, man, you're crazy, you're wilding, man. I used to be like, honestly, that's a compliment coming from you. They'll look at me like, what?
Nah. Dude, it literally is, bro.
Yep.
Means you're on the right path.
And who are you comparing yourself to, right? Who are you comparing yourself to is huge, right? Because another thing my mentor told me, he was telling me a story one time, and he said he was talking to his brother-in-law who was, he had a medical degree, and he went on and made like 100 grand this year, and he's like, you know, I made 100 grand this year. And my mentor goes, how'd you do that, man? Like, how the heck you doing that? And he's like, well, you know, I'm a doctor, I got a degree, you know. And he's like, no, I mean, like, how are you living off that? Like, my wife can spend that in a week decorating the inside of our home. Like, how are you living off only 100 grand? The guy's like, what? So if you're doing good, compared to who, right? Compared to who? I woke up Friday morning, I seen Raja make a $1.8 million withdrawal. Right? That's who I'm trying to get like. That's who I'm trying to compare myself with. So you got to be careful, right? Who are you comparing yourself to? People with low values, low income, and you want to be a big fish in a small pond, or are you willing to be a small fish in a big pond so you can grow and become better?
Yep.
You know? What's the move today? Sheesh, probably trade, probably get some brunch, probably hang out for a little bit with the kids, chase my wife around the house a little bit, read a little bit.
Live his life.
Yeah, just the move is whatever. Please, new Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin. Nick once said to me that comparison is the thief of joy, right? The Bible speaks of this.
Scott.
If you're going to compare, like Nick said, choose to compare to those less. Ooh, become abundantly grateful for them. Yeah, man. Hey.
Yes, Scott.
That's what's up. Well, I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah.
Compared to who?
What is up, boys?
There he is.
Tandy.
That handsome son of a gun. He's here.
How's it going?
He's here.
It's good, Tandy.
Oh, what a breath of fresh air to see Tandy here every day.
Monday.
Freaking missing this guy, man. Tandy. Tandy's in the house, everyone.
Hello, Tandy's here, chat.
Another beautiful day. The silverback. Oh, hell yeah.
The silverback is back.
What's up, Z Gamer?
Z Gamer. Z Gamer is in the building. Hey, everyone say good morning to Tandy. Say what up to Tandy. Because he ain't fucking leaving. He ain't fucking leaving. How do you manage risk? Percentage or a specific lot size? I use both. I mean, either or, just it's kind of like the same thing, right? If I'm willing to risk 3% of my account, then I know, I could open up a 10 lot basically until I get to like 30 pips, right? And then I may have to lower it. But yeah, I'm saying pretty much I'll risk like 3 to 4% on a trade. And the percentage and the risk usually are the same exact thing. I mean, the percentage and the lot size, they're usually gonna fall and be the same thing. I use Magic Keys, guys, so it does all the calculating for me. And I also have an affiliate link now for Magic Keys. So if you guys want to get Magic Keys, there's a link in the description for it. And I believe you save some money on it or something too.
Dang. My boy, affiliated.
Yeah, I'm a Magic Keys affiliate now.
So nice.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Magic Keys is
Once I get
GOAT.
that V3, bro.
The
Once I get that
V3.
V3, I'll be
Get your V3 now. Link in bio. Nick, I missed the explanation on wait for sup. Yeah, wait for a support to form. So basically we're bullish on the day, right? Pretty bullish here. So what we want to do is if we are going to take buys somewhere along this level here, then we're going to need a support to form. So in order for that to happen, we're going to have to see some bearish candles come down, right? Say this candle comes down, closes like this, and then we're going to need a support. And then if we can get a support to form, then we may be able to take our buys from down here. Yeah, just like that. Not gonna budge on any of these sells at all because we're super bullish right now, right? So yeah, so that's kind of like what we're waiting for. Is Magic Keys on screen version as good as physical version? I never used a on screen one, so I'm not too sure. I have on screen and it's awesome, no issues, but I hear the physical version is better. Yeah, I mean the physical anything I think would probably be better, right? But not saying that the on screen one is any less, but it's always nice to have a physical tool, right? But hey, for 30 bucks you get the digital one, which is fire.
Yeah, it's super fire. I think that like it's worth it if you don't want to spend that money, because that's what I use.
Yeah.
But I am one of those people that would rather have a physical version of it. I feel like it's more like legit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, exactly.
It's a little bit of a clutter on my screen too, because I kind of have to like move the.
Right. Yeah, no, the physical one's great. I haven't really had any issues with it. Every now and then I feel like if it's not charged, then sometimes like I gotta press the button a little harder or something. I'm not too sure, but other than that, I haven't had any issues.
Yeah, the new one is fire though. That V3, fire.
Yeah, that V3 looks fire. Yeah, if you guys want to cop the Magic Keys, any version of it, just go to the link in my bio right there, Magic Keys link. Click that, buy it through there, and I believe you're gonna save like 10% or something. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna go grab some water, as the Floridians would say, and I'll be right back.
Water?
Some water? They'd be like, why do you say water? Water.
Water? It's so weird.
How's the weather down there today, Sandy?
It's been raining and now it's a little bit cold, dude. Fire. Super fire. A little bit of a break from that stinky hot weather.
Sure.
How's it over there?
It was raining all day yesterday and cold, so it's 46 today again, so
Hell yeah.
same shit. It's gonna be freezing for sure.
Can't get enough of it. Don't worry. Soon you'll be in Florida. You won't ever have to deal with that shit again.
Yes, sir, bro. Couple more months.
It's official.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, dude, that's fucking sick.
It is official, yes, sir.
Is Joe staying up there?
Yeah, me and Joe are moving down.
Your dad's staying up there?
Yeah. My dad either staying up here, he's gonna move out to Oklahoma. Yeah, so we'll see.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oklahoma.
That's where he wants to go. I could see him staying in New York though. But we'll
Dude,
see.
what a change, Oklahoma from New York.
Right? Like,
That's wild. But
yeah.
beautiful, dude. I think, well, yeah, the other day I was watching videos on Oklahoma and Wyoming. I don't feel like a lot of people are moving over there, but dude, just beautiful.
Yeah. No, 100%. There's a lot of like places in the country that are mad beautiful that are like not well known at all.
Yep. And everyone wants to choose Florida, California, New York. Come on, dog.
Yeah. Right, literally. Those three.
I try to use his link. I don't know if this thing will work. Boomer alert.
Chad, what's your state, like what's your state you wanna see yourself move to, or what's your favorite state you're at? Anything?
Tell your state to me. Why do you love your state?
Yeah, why do you love your state, and what is your goal? Like, if you have a goal to get to a specific area, where is it?
There we go. Shubamwe. Ryan from New Jersey, Myrtle Beach.
Hey,
yes.
South Carolina on Friday.
Yes,
That's what's
sir. Real estate about to get crushed over there by Scott Constantino.
Bro, awesome, Scott. Congrats.
Congrats, my man.
From New Jersey, that's what's up. Oh, hell yeah. Way better weather, bro.
We're gonna be going to North Carolina in July, bro, and I mean that's honestly where we're trying to end up. Me and my girlfriend.
Really?
Like, dude,
Word?
I've never felt so attached to a place, bro. Like,
Really?
crazy.
No, yeah, the Carolinas, honestly, it's got that like perfect medium in a way, you know.
Exactly, dude. Exactly.
So that's not.
You go to the far right, you got some beach. Go far left, we got mountains and shit, dog.
Facts, bro. So that's what's up.
I love New York for
unlimited.
unlimited. I love New York for unlimited potholes. Hey, I haven't seen a
potholes down here. Wild.
I haven't seen a pothole in 6 months, man.
You got up and down hills of potholes. Yo, Scott, though, that's awesome.
Yeah,
that's gonna be dope. That's exciting. This week too, Friday. Nice.
Dude, that's bro.
Yeah, Scott's moving on Friday. Yup, that's right. Making a big move.
Doing it in the real estate game, bro. His fucking Instagram. He's so professional.
He's too legit. Oh, I live in Georgia. Nice.
Panama City Beach, Florida, dude. Manifest that.
Hell no. That's the way to do it, manifesting. Manifesting's real, man.
Texas is where it's
at. Texas is
nice.
dope too. I could see myself, I don't know, it depends.
I've never been to Texas.
Yeah. Honestly, my goal is honestly to move to Dubai eventually.
Dubai.
Like, depends how the country is.
Hey Chad, we got Raja Banks to subscribe to the channel the other day. Bro, I told him pop on the stream one day this week and say hello. So we might get a guest appearance from the GOAT himself, Mr. Raja Banks. So we'll see, man. Maybe he'll be streaming and he'll jump on our stream with his stream. That'd be sick.
I'm gonna fangirl so hard I'm gonna cry.
I could see that move happening. And then like 5,000 new eyeballs on us. But I'm gonna remember all y'all, man, because these are the beginning days, right? A lot of people. Someone said the other day, I wish I was here in the beginning of the stream. This is the beginning. We're still in the beginning. Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust that.
Definitely, dude. Scott's.
Bro.
What happened?
Picture this. You see our faces, bro. One day we're all gonna be together with all of our money, making it and trading.
Yes, sir.
Trips out to different countries and stuff, bro. All of us.
Yeah, man. We're gonna do some fun stuff. Trust me.
I see it very clearly.
Yeah.
Jose, you're gonna be with us, bro. Z-Gamer, dog.
Z-Gamer.
Bro, we're all gonna be together.
Z-Gamer's gonna be here.
Man, I see it,
bro.
I've had a lot of good examples on how to bring people together in events and stuff like that. So trust me, I got a lot of plans to do all that good stuff too. A lot of plans for that. Jay,
good morning.
Jay Sniper's in the building, everyone.
Good morning, Jay.
Good morning, guys. Happy beginning of the month.
Yes, sir. Happy new month, my friend. May's always a good month.
Let's go.
It's gonna be May.
It's gonna be May. Hold on, what did I do?
Jay, you ever moving out of Seattle?
What?
You ever moving out of Seattle?
Yeah, these fuckers try to make crypto illegal out here. I'm fucking out.
And that's it.
Where are you trying to go? Like,
No, not
Either
Cali.
Florida, Texas.
Come back to Florida,
Maybe go
Jay.
back to Colorado,
Word. Those are pretty nice out states.
Philippines.
Ooh,
Yo.
JJ Philippines.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, out of country, you know?
Yeah, no, for sure, definitely. I mean, until everything like kind of gets
Yeah.
broken and then rebuilt and then come
Everything
back.
plays out. Yeah.
Watch it from afar, because nobody out here in the U.S. wants to fight anymore. So yeah, just watch it from afar, huh? That used to be where I used to live out there.
Yo, how did this guy create those sounds on Discord or pull them up? Trying to find.
What sounds?
Remember how Sam was like, he put us on with a couple
I need
sounds.
Sam.
Dude.
Oh, those the soundboard.
Where's Sammy boy? Yeah. Yeah, I can't find him.
I think he put it in.
Yo, where the hell is George? Balls?
Who?
What happened to the board?
George? Where's George?
Yeah.
George,
Yeah,
George of the jungle. Don't forget us, Nick. The best is yet to come, my guys. Yes, sir. 1 hour candle close. Yes, sir. We have the NY Open here, ladies and gentlemen. Pound yen closed right below range. Got a pound holiday here today. It's probably gonna just mess around in that range.
Yep. Not touching pound yet at all.
Yeah. Jay, how was? Did you go shooting this weekend?
So it was actually a nice weekend out here in Washington. So what I did was I went on a spiritual journey.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yep. Almost petted a bobcat and almost took my hand off, but I had the strap on me, so he wasn't gonna do it.
Bobcat, you're my friend.
He's like, hey, he started getting, oh hell no.
It's like
Talk
in-
back. You either die here or you run away.
You seen a unicorn too? Hey, is that a unicorn?
It wasn't that strong. It wasn't no peyote this weekend.
That's funny.
Hey, your markets professionals in the building. What up, bro?
YMP.
YMP's in the house. The
What
boy.
up, YMP?
What's good, YMP? YMP's in the building. YMP's working on a website for me, and I'm gonna reveal it to you guys when he's all done. So if you guys need websites, anything like that, holla at your boy. I'll have a referral link for that too. No, I'm just kidding.
It's tough, man.
I'll have an affiliate link for that. No, I'm just playing.
Rena Reed.
Hey, Green.
There's Green
Man.
showing
Green,
up in
what's
blue.
up,
How's your win rate? The only thing that matters. How's your win rate?
My win rate is higher than Jay's spiritual journey this weekend.
I don't know about that.
My win rate, I believe, last month was 89%, and I'm using a 100K account. What's your win rate? And what size account are you trading?
Hell yeah.
I got the affiliate link, Nick. Word. I got the affiliate link.
Yo, did you check your Magic Keys referral link?
Did I check it?
Yeah, did you go through it? It's not adding the discount for me. I'm trying to get the discount.
Maybe it doesn't add a discount then? I don't even know.
Roger's like, yeah.
Maybe-
go ahead,
maybe it just-
discount links.
Maybe it just pays me 25 per purchase. I don't know.
Yeah, 25 cents.
Hey, the gold goblin's here. Okay.
Yes, sir, Goblin. Another day.
What up, Bobby?
Goblin's eating up them
Another
pips.
Another day, another day.
Huh?
Hey, we're less than 50 away from 1K subs, man.
Hey,
We are less than
Wild.
50 away
subscribe.
from 1,000 subs. When we get to 1,000 subs, we're giving away 2 20K challenge accounts. We're picking 2 random winners that are subbed to the channel, so we're going to be doing that. Looks like we're going to get that done here within the next day or two. So I'm excited to see who the winners are.
You got like 50 over the weekend, right?
Something like that. Yeah, we've had a pretty nice push here. 75%. I trade a 10K. Beautiful. Nice win rate, bro. Very nice win rate. Most people can't even get a 50% win rate.
Yeah, that's great.
That's why they need like 100 R just to take a trade. Like, nah, bro, that shit's not 10 R, bro. I can't take that trade. Alright, no doubt.
Crazy.
Awesome. Where's Sammy boy? Hey, pray for Sam. I hope he had a good weekend.
Word, I don't know what he did.
Yeah, NY Open's not really budging price here. The news is at 10, right? 10, yeah, 10 a.m. news here today. Yep. 10 a.m. So we don't have any news in the way here at all. All we need is a closure above, and we're good to go. 4 hours ripping up pretty nice here. Ripping. Yeah, so we got a new month here. Let's take a look. So since we've been on stream, since February, and we've had some nice months here. March is really nice. We went like 18-3 in March. We finished off April really nice. Only 2 losses here, so not bad at all. A lot of really good trades taken in April. We were very selective in April. There was a lot of volume, but sometimes the setup just wasn't there. But we were very disciplined here in April, so we got 2 break evens. March we didn't have not one break even trade, not one. But
look at next month, man, and he focused on patience and discipline. Look at his month. Look how it turned out.
Yeah, man.
Pretty fucking good, man, if you ask me.
Yeah, man. Everything changed for me again, right? When I started being disciplined and really like sticking to it, not budging, that changed the game for me. One thing I admire when I was watching Don was that this kid would not budge. If it did not line up completely with his plan, to the point where sometimes it'd be annoying for the viewer, right? Like, come on, man, take a trade, you know? But dude, I admired that about him, because I knew that every professional traded that way. And I listen to podcasts all the time on guys who trade stocks, guys who trade FX, you know, just traders in general. Guys have been doing this longer than some of us have been alive. And one common theme is that they're all patient and they all stick to the system. And when they deviate from it, that's where they take hits, right? And they understand that. So if you understand that, like I now understand that, you display that discipline, you apply that discipline, and you'll have good winning months. Yeah. And at this point, we're just really good at what we do. We're really good at we've exercised the discipline muscle enough that it's second nature to us at this point, right? Second nature. I finally got to the point where Don was, right, where he could take a look, up, no top wick, no entry, up, no close below, no entry, no, next candle, right? There's always another trade.
Yeah.
Literally.
He was a great example of it. Like a great example of like coming in second to the chart. Like, all right, chart said no, I'm not doing it. You know.
Yep.
Like we said, discipline, patience.
Yeah. Like right now, we just have one question for the market.
Yeah.
We just have one question, and that question is, can the candle close above this zone? So we asked the question, right? And the market gave us an answer on this candle and said no. So what do? We just hold off. Right?
Yeah.
Now our new question is, same question. Can we close above the zone with this candle? If we don't, then the market says no. If we do, then we can look to take positions to continue up to fill this range here. But we can't take a buy right here. You have a resistance right here, right? You're running into.
And you have choppiness. Yep.
Right? And you got a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, right? It's all over the place. But above here, right? Above here, what do we see? Clean traffic. Clean ranges for price to move. And if price, look how clean these candles are, right? Clean candle, clean candle, clean candle, right? Do you want to be in a position where your candle will mirror these candles, or do you want to mirror these candles? Right? I don't want to be in a position where it's little small choppy candles, they don't really move. I want to be in a position where there's a clean range, and my trading candle could look like this or like this. Right? And we can get in and get up out of here in 30 minutes versus being in some choppiness like this, right?
Yeah.
So got to close above.
Yep.
Once we close above, we can now fill this range. 85 pip range too.
Sorry.
Your strategy the same as Don? If you guys knew what Don traded like last year and the year before, then yes. So I trade based off the 30-minute, 1 hour, 15. I don't go down to the 5 much at all. But yeah, I learned a lot of that stuff from Don. Yo, what up, Austin? Good morning, bro. Good morning,
Hey,
morning.
good morning, Austin.
Morning from Dirty Jersey.
Good morning, Austin. What up? Hey.
This is also the 30-minute resistance as well. So if we get a candle close above here at 8:30, then you already know. You already know. Wollston. 4 hour candle rocking right now.
Seriously. I mean, that previous 4 hour candle was weird to tell.
Yeah.
No top or bottom left, you know.
Guess what you don't see me doing though? Oh my god, I gotta get in this. I gotta get in this right now. I can't miss this move. I gotta 8 a.m. volume. Like, you don't see me doing none of that, right? You don't see me breaking composure and jumping into this just because it's moving right now. Gotta wait. Yeah, come to us, Goldie. Up, just come on to us.
You're a bandwagon for the charts.
Push up in our range and let's get a close. That's all. Where my AirPods? Sup, boys? I'm late. What's up, Martin? What's going on? Don't worry about being late. This isn't your job. I'm not your boss. We're all good. You're right on time, my friend. Right on time. We are almost at 1,000. Looking good though. We got volume coming in. NY open. We get a closure here at 8:30. We got no news in the way here. No news at 8:30 today, which is good. What up, King Michi? King Michi.
What up, Nick? What up, Nick?
Kids in the building. What up, my boy?
Hey, anyone here from Montreal? Bro, I'm from Montreal.
Montreal's in the building.
That's sick.
Nice and cold over there right now, right?
Not even.
It's not cold?
Yeah, right now it's not cold.
Oh.
We are like 9 degrees.
9 degrees? That's not cold?
Yeah.
It's freezing.
Wait, 9 degrees?
Yeah.
Sheesh. That's not
That's
cold,
crazy.
that's freezing.
Yeah, like because like during winter times we get like negative 40, bro.
Oh
Wow.
damn! Oh, so 9 degrees is like spring.
Like summertime.
Oh damn! Oh damn! Hey chat, we got a free Discord as well. We got a lot of people just pouring into this Discord, man. But we got a free Discord. This is probably my favorite channel right here. This is where Scott breaks down all the trades we take on stream. Sometimes he even gives us multiple time frames that we take the trade on. So you guys should definitely highly recommend checking this channel out to really learn the step-by-steps on what we're looking at, why we're taking trades, how the trades played out, what we did during the trade, how we managed everything. So I love this channel right here, man. Trade of the day. Trade of the day. We also got the war room, so if you guys are spiritual or trying to get biblically sound, I'm going to be jumping on a Zoom call tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, and we're going to talk about some spiritual warfare. So all are welcome. If you guys want to tune into that, I'll send the link in the war room channel here, right around 8 o'clock tonight. So it's going to be good. It's going to be short but powerful, very, very, very powerful. So if that's something you guys are interested in, you're more than welcome to pull up tonight and feel the presence of the Holy Spirit. But we also have the New York session, London session, Asian session. I'm glad to see no one was rocking around in these sessions last night because there really wasn't much happening, right? It's the first candle, first monthly, weekly, daily, right? All that. So not much happened in the Asian session last night. But yeah, link to the Discord is in the description as well. So you guys are more than welcome to join us in that and join us in this position here at 8:30 if we can get it. We got 8:20 comics open, so you should see a nice push. Let's take a look at the 5-minute here. You should see this candle start pushing up now and breaking these highs and starting to trade above this range here. Should get a push in 3, 2, 1. There it goes.
Yep.
There it goes. Breaking the high now. Should start to pop. And we will wait for 8:30. There it goes. Should see that push. Beautiful. There we go. There we go. Nick, can you explain how to use the measure tool to calculate pips? Yeah, so it's this ruler right here, and you just hold it down. And like if we wanted to measure this range, we could just look here, right? And then you see right here 831. So with gold, that's going to be 83 pips. So you're only going to look at the first two on gold. If it says 831, that's I guess in terms of points. But this range right here, if we look, it's going to be 83 pips, not 831 pips. So yeah, that's how you kind of use it. But there you go. Gold should start popping up above this range here now, and we should be able to get a pretty decent closure on the 30-minute. Give me one sec, I'll be right back.
Question. Jay, you take this?
Yes, sir. I was in this.
Nice.
Yeah. Only because I'm white balling, but 1995 was my TP here.
Copy
I didn't
that.
think it was gonna push up like this though. Damn.
Right.
Fuck, I would have stacked it. This was a
Nice,
Monday, so
man.
I didn't want to freaking OD it.
Word. Nice.
Yeah. I was kind of nervous because like the daily with like Asian and London yesterday, like it started pushing down. I'm like, oh damn, this looks like seller replay to the downside.
Yeah.
So I was like thinking this morning we would have gotten the sells to the downside, but it actually respected that low though overnight. So I was like, oh shit, all right, cool.
Word. Correct.
Damn, bro, but I didn't know the 4 hours gonna fucking pump like this. Now that thing's probably gonna go up to
4 hours.
205.
Yeah, it's 4 hours. Wild right now.
When you think you got a fucking runner and then you like think it's gonna reject at that zone, you just take full profit, you feel good about it, and it just keeps pushing. You're like, motherfucker.
Seriously, man. So it's always gonna be like that, like fuck.
Yeah.
Like, you know, like shoulda, woulda, coulda, like, you know.
Yeah. No, dude, I don't even stress about that anymore. If like it keeps running, if it goes up to 1 million, I'm just looking at it. It's like, all right, next time.
Take profit, man. That's like the best thing, you know.
Yeah.
But damn, this shit is pushing.
I know, dude. That 15-minute, that 1 hour candle, a The 4-hour
real.
candle is massive. That daily breakout, oh, insane.
Yeah, that's wild.
Damn, this thing is fucking pushing, bro. And I
Yeah,
only
man.
aimed for 995.
That's it, man.
Oh,
Holy shit.
shit.
Facts, don't need to chill.
I think once we reclaim 2K, we're gonna push again.
Yeah. That would have been my advantage point if we would have entered off the 30, where I would have closed partials we just hit. But shit.
Yeah, dude, this was
We can like come back down a little bit, that'd be dope.
hell yeah. I would definitely take this back if it comes down to like that 995 zone right there, that resistance on the hourly.
Yeah.
I would definitely take it from there.
Yeah. Yeah, facts, Scott. Mondays have been fire. That's gold.
She's a runner.
She's a runner.
She's a runner.
Nope, she would be from Melbourne.
Hey, you're watching history right here, boys.
Forex all-time highs.
Broke the daily high, perfect. She waits for nobody. All right, 4-hour candle is ripping, man.
Yeah.
You may see a little pullback now on this next 30 for the 4-hour to close up. Nick, don't ask him. Take a guess. You think Jay's in already? Let's see.
Yo.
Yes. Either right here, 89, or 91 he got in. 88, 89, or 91, somewhere around there.
Talking about you.
Jay, you in?
I was. Our full CP's already hit at 95.
So where was your entry?
Entry was at, wait, what did you guess it was at?
89?
Ooh! Oh, no, wait, no.
Or 88.
Entry? 89?
89 or 91?
Actually, my entry was, yep, no, you got it. 91.90.
91. Yep.
91.90.
820 volume too. Right? This was the 820 candle. See that?
Yep. Once that 5-minute came down and then respectively 15-minute low and then just popped back up. Game time.
So we closed up. If you guys notice, there's a resistance right here. So we closed right at it.
Right at it.
Right at it. So where will this 4-hour candle close? Holy. Ripping. Yeah, I would like to see some bearish candles here, because if we can get the 4-hour candle to pull back and close above here, leave a wick fill, I think that'll be good.
Yeah, that's what I want to see, man. Freaking pull back.
Ho ho! What up, Anthony in the house? Anthony Fernandez.
More than Anthony.
Zero FOMO, chat. Zero FOMO.
Not buzzing.
Remember what you promised yourself this weekend.
That's where you're tested.
The test is here. The test is here for you. 70 pips. On your terminal, you see it closed above. Which time frame? 1 hour or 30 minutes? Nope. Never closed above on my terminal either. $30 minutes? Nope. Didn't happen on my terminal. Just think, chat, all you need is one trade this week. That's it. And you have all the freedom in the world. Yeah. $8.20 with a nice push. Beautiful 5-minute candle right here. Holy. Ripping, ripping, pushing, pushing. It's a juicer. It may hit 24.9 this week. Again, any thoughts? Definitely can. All right, weekly time frame. We can push up pretty steady, pretty steep here. This could be a monster weekly candle. Even better, because the cleanest buys are above here. 2010. Then you got clean buys all the way up. 4-hour candle closes above here. It's a wrap. Clean traffic. Wow, 1 hour rocket ship here. The first 30 minutes of that candle, or the first 20 minutes, didn't do nothing. Just messed around. 820 came along and pop. Pop goes the weasel. Live chat. Above 2002, there's beautiful clean traffic. 2002. Oh yeah. Nice clean candle here. We wait for 2010. At this point, we just gotta wait for a candle to close. That's all. That was the move. Yep, go to sleep, come back tomorrow. No, gold can continue moving here today. You ever look at gold and be like, that was the move, and then you check it later on in the day, you're like, holy, that was just the beginning of the move. Yeah, gold has a tendency to really rip. So now that we're breaking through all this, what's the chances we continue up here now? Pretty high. This is expected too, right? Remember I told you guys we're gonna see a push, right? We were looking at the 5 minute right here. Let's say you're gonna see a push and it's gonna start trading in this range. And we've seen a nice push. Nice. Today news also, yeah, 10 a.m. Got news at 10. Got some news at 10. So Tandy, you gonna be here every day now?
What?
So you're gonna be basically back to trading every day?
Yeah, I'm pretty much. I got a couple of jobs lined up, but I'm literally just dedicating it towards trading. So
Yeah.
I'm finding things that work in that time schedule where I can
Yeah.
have the mornings free and
Yep.
then work later, dude. I'm just
Nice.
full conviction, just going for it.
Yeah. Yep. Good.
Like, dude, it's crazy. It's crazy, bro. Like the way that my heart feels, I 100% know.
Yeah, man. I knew. That's why I'm like, nah. Doesn't seem right.
Yep, exactly. And I heard what you were saying earlier. And yeah, man, I can't live life without just following what I really feel like is true to me.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. There's no
even
point.
if other people,
There's no
if other
point.
people gambling or whatever it may be, I just know a full conviction that I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, hell yeah. 100%.
The proof is in the pudding, bro. Like these past couple of months, I've literally flipped my account 100% from when I first started it.
Yep. Yeah. There's no point in being miserable over dollars. It's nasty, disgusting pieces of paper.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of people, they spend too much time trying to accumulate this, but it's only because they're trying to pay for stuff, right? Like, so if you could just live a little bit below your means for some time, and you don't need a whole bunch of cash going out, right? Limit that outgo, so that way you're not strapped on money, and live below your means, delay gratify, and dude, you get this thing done, and you can basically buy whatever you want, when you want, do whatever you want, anytime you want, you know? So, smart move, man.
That was like the most important thing that you told me, was the thing that you feel like you can't live without, you won't ever get. And that's how I always treated money. I was just like, I need it. I don't care what I'm doing, I just need it.
Yeah.
And now I got to a point where I was just like, all right, so there is a boundary of what I'm willing to do for money if it's not feeding my soul, like if it's not doing me good.
Facts.
And bro, like, this is the shit that I love right here. Chilling with you guys, looking at these charts, these candlesticks getting fired up, bro. So I'm just revolving my whole life around it, dude. Like, there's just 100% conviction that I'm gonna make it. And that these next couple of years, we're all gonna make it, bro.
Yeah, man.
I promise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Conviction, baby.
As long as you show up every day and treat this like it is the only thing you want to do. Show love and affection to it. Take care of it like a baby.
Facts. Man, I take care of this like my life depends on it, because it does. It does.
That's why whenever like any of these moves, of course they're beautiful moves, but it's just not my trade, dude. It's like I'm not FOMOing over this shit. Like,
Nah.
once I'm in it, I'm letting my money work and
Yeah.
do the job that it needs to do.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah, Scott, I'm gonna do a fun account here, and yeah, dude. Like, I know Nick already has his. Jay is gonna take his, I think, and we're all gonna do this together again, man.
Yeah, man. Why not, right? These companies will give you more than enough capital to live off of. It's just, can you treat that capital with care? And can you be serious and a professional with it? Because if you can, then you're gonna get paid like a professional.
I appreciate you, Scott and Red, dude. You guys, bro, we might be miles apart, but dude, you make my heart feel so warm. God.
You give them them warm, fluffy feelings.
Not ask for
The
better
warm
people
fuzzies.
than that, dude. This is literally the epitome of making sure that you surround yourself with like-minded individuals, dude. It just, bro, this shows how effective this shit is.
Yep. Association is everything. If your friends like Mustangs, there's a chance you like Mustangs. If all your friends have tattoos, you probably have tattoos. If your friends love and smoke cigarettes all the time, chances are you smoke cigarettes. If your friends are super wealthy and rich, chances are you're going to be super wealthy and rich pretty soon. Association is everything. Everything. You got to make sure you're with the right crew, man. Got to make sure you're with the right crew.
I really think that's like, I mean, I had a vision of being successful, but I had no direction until I met you and Jay and like this whole like chat. And bro, like now that I have you guys, bro, there's no doubt in my mind. Like there's no wondering if I'm gonna make it. It's just when am I gonna make it? And that's soon, dude. We're putting in so much work right now.
Yep. Remember, chat, everything happens first in the spiritual realm. Then it manifests into the physical realm. So when he's saying he knows it's going to happen, that's his spirit, right? The spiritual realm is making it happen. And when he says when, it's just a matter of it coming into the physical. That's all that is. Literally, that's all that is. Subconscious reconstruction, yes. And the Bible talks about, right, the renewing of your mind, right? Ye be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Same thing. Scientifically, it's called subconscious reconstruction. You know, but it's all spiritual.
Love it.
Man, I love that, bro.
Yeah, it feels good, man. I can't explain it enough how bad that felt doing that real estate thing. Even though I saw the opportunity, it felt so wrong in my heart. Dude, it's like,
I know how it felt for you.
I was literally like throwing up. It was wild, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I could not stop. Man,
Yeah.
it just feels so amazing to be back.
That's your spirit saying it's not the way for you, you know? It's not your route.
And dude, isn't that crazy, bro? Like, didn't Swaggy just come out with that? He was like, once you hit that 2-year mark, something big is gonna come up and you're gonna have to decide. Is it gonna be trading or is it gonna be something else? It always happens.
Yeah, man.
Always.
Yep.
And dude, once I was sitting there and I realized that was happening in my life, that's when I was immediately like, yo, dog, this is not it, bro. Get back to what was fueling your heart, bro.
Yeah, man.
But that's not to say that's not for, like,
It's not
if
for
that's
everyone.
part of your life and that seems like the next step for you to get better at it, being a trader, then 100% go for that.
Yeah.
100%. But if you already feel like you're in line to make trading successful, then dude, just follow your heart on that.
Yeah.
That conviction is priceless.
Yep. And if you need money, just find somewhere where you can, you know, where it doesn't exhaust you mentally and you kind of
And
can be
I
on
think
autopilot.
I think that's another big thing too, man. Like, that's what I've really noticed this past couple of weeks is networking is just massive, bro. Like, even though I don't have like a 9-to-5 job, I have so many people that I know that have like little odd end jobs and stuff where I'm now going to be making more than what I was previously doing. And that was just because I networked myself for the past 5 years.
Yep.
Just constantly showing up, giving my full commitment to something that wasn't really benefiting me, but it was a reflection on myself.
Yeah,
you know?
man. Yep.
It was always putting my best foot forward, and people saw that. So they're willing to offer me things and make sure that I'm staying on my feet, and it's just a beautiful thing.
Yeah. Yep. All of a sudden things start flowing your way. All right, so I'm only looking at the 4-hour time frame at this point. If we can get a close above this level here, we notice all these candles, right? All these 4-hour candles have been above this range here, but what's one thing none of them have been able to do yet? None of them have been able to close above this range. So if this 4-hour candle right here can close above this range, there is a very, very high chance that the next 4-hour candle will continue up, right? It will continue up here today. You have clean ranges to the left-hand side. You have a clean range here, and then above here you have more clean traffic coming up into these zones here, right? These are like your new ranges up top. So just kind of focusing right now on this 4-hour candle and seeing where we're gonna close, where and how we're gonna close. But yeah, Tandy, I'm glad you bring that up, right? Because you see how one man's story can help so many others, right? One man's struggle can help so many others, and that's why you shouldn't be afraid of the struggle, right? You shouldn't be afraid of those tough decisions, because you going through that, although it sucks a little bit, right? There's people on this chat that I'm sure are sitting there in the same situation and things are making sense for them. Maybe they didn't think that way. Maybe they were just too caught up in what, you know, their parents were telling them, or, you know, what their professor was telling them. But a lot of times our parents and our professors, like, those are average people, right? They don't have the same goals as you. They can't think as big as you, right? Tandy's thinking bigger, right? That's why he's not settling for something that anyone could really do, right? Anyone could be, anyone could do that, you know? And he says, you know what? I want to go after my dream. I want to go after my passions. I want to go after what makes me feel alive. And my personal opinion, I wouldn't take any job that doesn't make me feel alive. I'd rather be broke than feel like crap. Because I know that I could figure out a way to get some money, right? It's not that big of a deal. Most people, they're just suckered by the system. They're working a job. Their salary goes to their mortgage, to their car payments, to their one vacation a year, and they think they're doing something, right? They think they're doing something good, and just because that's what society tells them to do, it's like, I don't know, man. It's almost like the blind leading the blind, right? Imagine going to work to pay for a house that you don't live in because you're always at work trying to pay for it. That makes no sense to me. Right? Let me get a mortgage on this house. Mortgage, mortgate, right, equals death grip in Latin. Let me get a mortgage, right, on my home, and let me go to work every single day to pay for the house that I'm not in because I'm too busy at work trying to make money to pay for it. And then all my extra money, let me go around fixing the house so I can add equity into the home. Makes no sense. Makes absolutely no sense. Tandy dropping wisdom, yeah. Such a powerful moment of the day. You make the choice to pursue your dreams, yeah, rather than keep, the conformity. It's like a rebirth. Yo, what's up? You took any trades today? No. Does that mean we wait for an onion setup? We're just gonna wait here for this 4-hour candle to close up. Maybe a suggestion, bro, for future streams to note on the stream like trades taken today. Yeah, we're gonna get an overlay for that. So once I get the overlay on, we'll have the stream record, we'll have trades taken, all that good stuff.
American dream, you have to be asleep to believe it. Oh man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, I like that.
Yo.
Hey,
Yo.
I've been preaching this message since 2012 about you gotta be an entrepreneur, man. If you want control, you have to see, like, there's no economy. There's a lot of times my mentor would say when we were in a recession, he'd be like, I don't participate in the recession, right? Successful people don't participate in recessions because they're not worried about the economy as a whole. They're worried about their own pocket economy, right? So why don't you guys focus on your pocket economy? And that's the only economy that matters in your life. You don't have to participate in any recessions. Someone dropped a chart in the Discord. Let's take a look. Discord. All right, let's take a look here. Let's open it up a little bit bigger. All right, so we got, let's see. Overall trend was bullish. Price made a high, 172, support. Candle closed above minor resistance on the, what time frame is this? GJ on the 30-minute, beautiful. Support form, perfect. 30-minute retest, A+ setup, celery play right here. Break of the highs, close partials right around this area. Oh yeah, money. This is a beautiful trade right here. Absolutely beautiful. Close partials right here because he's seen that, or she's seen that hesitation, right? Didn't say no, I gotta hold to here because I bossed the markets around, right? No, he looked left, seen that there was some confusion, some clusteration going on here. Close partials, perfect. Leaving a runner. The only thing I do is probably just move stops to break even. Other than that, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful. Good work. Very nice. What was your percentage gain last month? Mine was tough. Altogether, it was about 12% last month. Hey, A's in the building. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, sub to the channel, like the stream while you're in here, and let's get these likes up. Let's get these subs up to 1,000 so we can do this 20K challenge giveaway. Tired of talking about it.
Good morning, good morning.
What up, Uncle Scalp?
What's happening?
What's happening? Big week.
Morning, Uncle Scout. Yo,
So,
I was
Jay.
gonna ask you, bro. Did you make a new Instagram yesterday?
So I like thought to myself, I was like, I
was
want to
making
make,
sure it's you.
I want to
'Cause
make a
somebody asked me, he's like,
separate.
"Hey, do you want me to trade gold for you?" Like with the same name. I was like, "Sure." So I sent you some money. I was hoping.
Sure, how much you need? 10 grand? Yeah, no problem. I'll send it over right now.
No, it's actually he said 100 grand.
You're on the Zoom every morning, right? Yeah, no problem. I got you. Yo,
No,
chat.
I was
I want-
making sure that was you.
I wanted to keep it separate from my personal.
I feel you.
Hey,
That was a
chat.
good idea.
Beware of the fake pages. They're coming out the woods. I have my Instagram right here, so if it's not this instant. By the way, I'm never gonna message you first. I'll message you back, but I'm not gonna message you. Like, I'm not gonna randomly message somebody, you know. So if that happens to you, don't fall for it. And these guys are getting famous on Zoom too, so you may see fake pages coming out from them as well.
Yeah, if you get a fake page of me asking you if you want to buy steroids from me, probably not me.
What up, Scotty?
Punk, how you doing, my man?
Andy.
How you doing, brother? How was your weekend?
It was good. It was nice.
No,
Very nice. Very nice weekend. How about you?
Amazing.
Unbelievable. It was an unbelievable weekend. Bro, the more I think
Uncle
about
Scalp
it,
is a
Uncle
brilliant
Scalp
name,
is a
bro.
brilliant name. Yeah, it is. I like that. How'd you come up with that, man?
It just came to my soul. It came to my spirit.
Just right into his spirit.
Just came to me.
It's like one of those things you think about, you just know right off the bat, that's the name.
That's the one.
That's the one. That's my identity. I just sent Tandy 5K in Bitcoin though.
Bro, I got you, bro. I got you on the steroids. I got you.
Trade like Jose's about to be freaking jacked.
Lift like Jose's gonna be.
Fit like Jose. He's gonna start selling supplements online. Start selling weight loss shakes.
I got you on my dolphin milk.
What up, Red?
I got this dolphin milk that'll make you lose 30 pounds in a week. Sign up. Here's the link right here. Link in bio.
It's the edge right there.
Link in bio. I remember maybe a year ago, they would all be on, I don't know why, but these people would just be videoing themselves make a shake as if anyone cares. And then just promoting the shake. Like, why do you make an hour-long Instagram video making your shake?
I think that was Herbalife.
Hey, you said it, not me.
Well, I mean, Herbalife is like my direct competitor.
Did they learn that in their actual meetings? Like, yo, make sure the videos are at least an hour on Instagram. Don't make sure people see, they could read it, they could see the smoothie being made. I didn't understand that.
Yep, they have full-on conferences. Make sure that people see that this is part of your morning regimen every morning for fucking 20 slides.
Okay, dokay.
It's so good for your skin and your hair.
We have had a 4-hour close. Perfect. 1 hour closed above most recent resistance as well. 4 hour looks good. We need a bottom wick. Excuse me. If we don't get a bottom wick, then if we don't get a bottom wick, then we need to wait for, let's see, let's take a look at this 30-minute time frame. Yeah, we need somewhat of a bottom wick here. It's the new 4-hour candle, right? We're 1 minute into a 4-hour candle, so. Link for the Discord. Oh, I don't think I changed the link, my bad. Maybe somebody can send the link in the chat. There you go. There. Thank you, Scott. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Yeah, I don't know why my Instagram the link runs out. It's got like some random cutoff time. Doom, 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 doom. I'm confused. My 4 hour on TradingView closes in 1 more hour. Oh, that's probably because it's you should use Oanda. Make sure you have gold US dollar with this chart. The other one probably has a different liquidity time. So yeah, we couldn't use this. This is a 6 pip bottom wick. Gold. Definitely expecting a bottom wick here. $15-minute celery. Let's take a look. Yes, actually, not bad. Yep, not bad. I like when the celery though, like you see this candle that has a very short wick. When that wick is a lot bigger, it works out a lot better. Still usually works, but when this wick is really steep, it has a wick to fill. So right now we do have clean traffic to the left, so this should play out pretty well. 15-minute celery, but I'm still expecting a little bit more of a bottom wick here. So that's why I don't want to jump in on off the 15-minute. But we may not get one, right? We may just start to run up. This is the first 5-minute candle of the 4-hour time frame. So for all you guys that trade the 5-minute, this may be your move. But again, 4-hour, no bottom wick just yet. Very small. So I'm probably gonna wait, see if we could form that bottom wick a little bit better here. Told you guys, the test is gonna come. This volume, I'm sure, triggered a lot of people. Hopefully it didn't trigger your emotions. If it was your move, it was your move, but if you're trying to stick to the system that we trade here, then it just wasn't our move. Hey Nick, good morning. just wanted to ask, how do you know when to use previous candle stops and current candle? So right here in this case, right, previous candle stops are a bit steep, right? They're like 75 pips. So in this case, you want to look for like a steeper bottom wick that could be like maybe 15, 20, 25 pips, and then use that. Like in this case right here, I want to see this low break. I want to see it push back down in the range. And then when this candle reflips, I'll probably look for an entry after creating a bottom wick, and I'll use the current candle stop as my stop loss. But right now, the only stop loss you have, unless you want to scale down to the 15 minute, which this low right here could break, right? We're in a new 4-hour candle. So the 4-hour could break the 15 lows, the 30 lows, the 1-hour lows, and still respect the 4-hour low and keep coming up. So that's why I wouldn't do that in this case, because I understand that this candle should give us a steeper bottom wick. If it doesn't, I'll let it run. I don't care, right? But if it does, then okay, we've made a new low. Now we can keep our stops below there, and we can enter on the reflip of this candle. So it's just a matter of pips, risk, things like that. Experience goes into it a little bit as well. But you don't want to have an entry here, stops here, and take profit here. That just doesn't really line up. So you would need to use a current candle stop. But I can't put my trust in a 15-minute low at the open of a new 4-hour candle, if that makes sense. Because there's a very high chance we break the previous low. See how this 15 celery is just not playing out right now? It could still play out 100%. And here's the way I look at trades, right? If it doesn't fit my setup, am I going to be more? Am I going to enjoy a win versus, like, what would I rather sit with today? Taking a win off of a trade that I didn't plan, or taking a loss off of a trade I didn't plan, right? I really don't want to sit with the feeling that I took a loss on something outside of my trading plan, right? So that feeling overpowers the feeling of, oh yes, I got a win today, right? Wait for 9:30. Yeah, a lot of times we're just gonna wait for 9:30 because we know that there's gonna be more volume dumping into the market here at 9:30 when the stock market opens up. So we'll wait for volume, and we'll see if this 4-hour can give us a new low or not. But like when I look for wicks, I also look left. So this isn't a bottom wick due to the wicks right here, right? We've tapped into these wicks. I would just much rather see a wick come more in this box here. Tapping into these wicks right here. Especially on a new 4-hour candle, right? If this is a 15-minute or a 30-minute, that's one thing. But on a new 4-hour candle, you're gonna, you should expect, the candle to take a little bit more time than 2 minutes, right, to make a bottom wick. So I know some of you guys said that you weren't gonna do it, but you did it anyway. You failed the test. Some of you guys passed the test. Yeah, the wicks also, man, like I said, I like to look left right here, see where all these wicks are. High chance we wick down here. And then now we have a much better stop loss because now our stops are back in the range, entries on the flip, let's say, and we can, push up at least to fill this wick up here. Right? So if we don't get this bottom wick, then we really don't have a stop loss. A valid stop loss, I should say. Our valid stop loss based off a 4-hour time frame is down here, which we obviously can't do. The 1 hour is down here, which obviously doesn't make too much sense. 30-minute is down here. You can use that, right? You can use that. That's what 75 pip stop loss. 15 minutes right here if you're comfortable with it. But for me personally, on a beginning of a new 4 hour, that's not my style. I don't see that work very often. 5 minutes chopping around a bit. Probably waiting for 9:30 here. What did I say? I said something in the Discord here last night. Some reminders for the week. Be patient, wait for your setup, and there's always another trade, right? Be patient, wait for your setup. As of today, I have not yet got my setup. So that's why you haven't seen me enter a position. $15-minute candle is going to close here. The only way I'd be comfortable with using that bottom wick here is if we've seen this, if we've seen a support form here. So if we get this candle to close like that and then a new support, right? There's a very high chance at that point we'll continue up with 9:30 volume. So that's the only way I would be comfortable leaving my stops under there. Uncle Scalp, what you thinking? What you thinking, Uncle Scalp? What's going on in the mind of Uncle Scalp?
I'm thinking if we hold, if this 30-minute, as we get closer to 9:30, if it stays the way it is, right?
Yeah.
Then maybe an entry above the high could be good, with a stop loss below the current 30.
Yeah, if we start to form a support here, which
as we get closer to 9:30, because I don't know if it could go down to make a lower low, but it doesn't seem like it's going to.
Yeah. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, 9:30 is when you're most likely going to see the next push. The next big push. Five minutes, super rangy, waiting for volume here. Waiting for some volume. Let me get some things set up here. Turn my handy dandy magic keys on. 4-hour. Because for all we know, 930 might want to go down too, right? We'll wait for this 30-minute here. Candle struggling to go down any steeper. Man, we had like a semi-tornado over here yesterday. Or the night before yesterday.
Dude, it's been windy as hell these last couple of days.
Oh, for real.
It was crazy, dude. Yesterday, I went out to my garden, dude, and everything was just like tipped over. And, dude, wild.
Yeah, dude, it was windy. A bit windy.
But a little bit of a cool weather today, you know? Feeling good.
Yesterday, too, was really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, I like this weather in Florida. When it gets all like sticky hot.
Yeah, for real. Before that rain came in, it was very muggy.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very muggy. So what we'll do is at 9:30, we'll most likely have buy stops at the break of this high. Because if price breaks the high, there's most likely going to push up, right? It's not going to come back down to break the lows. If anything, that would be establishing that this 4-hour wick is going to be what it is. And we break 30-minute highs, it should be good. Re-break 1-hour highs, re-break 4-hour highs. That'll probably be when it wants to drive up. So take profit will probably be up here like 2014, and then probably look to manage risk right around 2009, 2010 here. But that's assuming that this 30-minute candle closes bullish here. If not, we may take a different direction for the volume coming in at 9:30. For all you guys that broke your promises from last night and took buys at the high, you most likely just got stopped out. So hopefully that hits you right smack in the face. So we rebroke the low, which is nice.
I think Roger said that as well. 4-hour candle close. Once the new 4-hour breaks the high, it's going to come back down, make the bottom wick.
Yeah,
so,
especially if it breaks in the first like couple minutes of the other candle.
Yeah.
And now
you
guys
see it in waves, Chad. It's the market's in waves.
Yeah.
Oh, frick.
Brick. Is that what you said?
Yeah,
It's
I mean, I said frick, but brick sounds better.
So we did make a new low here. Popped down, broke the low. Let's look at GJ on this bank holiday here. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. This 30 close tells a big story. Big story. Where's John? Is John still here? John, you in school yet?
What are they teaching there, Nick? The ABCs?
Yo. I got ABCs going on in 12th grade English class. Language arts. The art of the language. Alright, class, let's count to 10. Yo, you guys would be shocked at what's going on in the high schools around America today. Holy. Not good. There he is. John, you learning your ABCs here today? The only ABCs you need to know is always be closing, baby. Tandy's like, hey, I learned that last week. You're an animal. Let's go. Always be closing, Tandy.
Remember, sell them the dream. You don't give a fuck. If
You want to cut their throats. It's like, yo, everyone relax. This is sales. Rip the guts out of them. Like, what? The only thing you need to know is when's their money going from their pocket to your pocket?
Find out the why. Dig deep on the why.
What's gonna drive them to purchase it? What's gonna drive the sale? Bring it
Use
home.
their kids against them.
Too funny, man. Alright, buy stops at the break of the high, sell stops at the break of the low. Let's do it. We got 5 minutes here. 5 minutes. Let's see, based off the 30. Let me see. This is nice. So now we had this wick tap into that zone. Tap into these other wicks here. Not bad now. 9:30 it is. I'll be right back. Green. Greenery, Mr. Tenlot. Yeah, if we close back below, the sells aren't too bad to continue just for a nice retracement. I could totally see price coming down, filling this range. You had to close below, drive down, close below, drive down. Closures below, close below, drove down, close below, drove, close below, drove. So oh yeah, I may be interested in sells too if we can close below, but we'll see. I'd rather take buys here. Gang. 10 lot gang. Can you look at GU? Not right now. Maybe in a few minutes. Right now we gotta lock it in. We got 2 minutes for this candle to close. 2 minutes. And we don't know if we're gonna close bullish or bearish yet. But if we do close bearish back below, I'll be interested in some sells. If not, if we close above, then I'll probably have buy stops at the break of the high here. All right, we got 10 seconds here. So probably if we close below, I'm gonna look to have sell stops at the break of the lows here. Ooh, closing no bottom wick there. Ooh, yep. It may drive here. Yeah, nothing yet. I didn't do anything here. No bottom wick. See what happens. There we go. Pull back up. All right, so let's take a look at this 1 hour candle. Let's see here. Yeah, we're gonna have buy stops at the flip here. Flip of this 1 hour candle. So buy stops. A little bit above the flip. We're gonna look to target this area up here. It's about a 52 pip range. I'll look to move stops to break even right around here. Stops. Go risk free right around there, which is about 13, 14 pips. So yeah, trade will look something like this. If we re-break the low, it's probably gonna drive here. Did we make a steeper top wick? Is that what happened? Yeah. Yeah, the 30 I would have been good if we closed with a bottom wick. We closed with no bottom wick. Other than that, I would have been fine with that top wick. It's just we had no bottom wick on the previous candle, so. But boom, there goes your range fill. $22 pips. Now that's more like a 4-hour bottom wick. Chat. So we knew this push would happen, right? If we got the candle to close below, the only issue with this entry was that we did not have a bottom wick here. Very, very little one. So other than that, we probably would have had sell stops at the break of that low. So I'm gonna delete these buy stops here. And we gotta reanalyze.
Gotta wait for support now.
Yeah, yep. But not bad, the idea was there. But we can't just jump in without the entry, right? You guys know my rules for bearish candles with no bottom wicks. The one thing I look at too is if there's no bottom wick and the candle comes down to make a bottom wick and then a top wick, which it did in this case, see if it drives down. So it did drive down this time, but the more I look at that, it's not the highest probability. Yeah, if we close back in the range, that'd be nice. Five closing, no bottom wick. We'll see how the 15-minute candle closes. Where's Sam at today? No Sam? And by the way, we are not bearish, right? That's another reason why I didn't jump into this. We're not bearish. Us entering this trade, even with the bottom wick, becomes a little risky. Even if we did have the bottom wick, because overall, this is going against the daily bias, which the daily bias is up, right? So we understand that, yes, we should be able to come down to come back up, but we don't know where we're going to go down to, right? So this is risky at the end of the day. So it's risky even with a bottom wick, but with no bottom wick, not a chance. Not a chance I'm doing that. The no bottom wick coupled with the 1 hour not breaking lows yet and the 4 hour needing a bottom wick. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. The sells, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Remember that we are bullish. 1 hour celery? Possibly. Yeah, that's right, Scott. Scott knows. But other than that, man, we're just still sitting on our hands waiting for our setup, right? That's what this thing is. Remember we told you the test would come. So again, possibly getting a support here on the 15. If we do that, then we'll be in. If we do break these highs again, that's going to be the 4 hour high there after we burst through consolidation. So 1 hour celery play wouldn't be bad. The liquidity has been grabbed. What that did also is that stopped out a lot of the buyers who got in at the break of this high and basically grabbed a ton of liquidity down there because they failed to look left and realize that this was wick central. So if there was going to be a wick, it was going to come down here. They also failed to realize that we are bullish on the higher time frames. They also failed to realize that that was the first 2 minutes of a 4 hour candle. So they all just, most of them got stopped out, right? Because would they go 7 pips? Most likely no one closed partials or anything there. Had stops below the 15 or the current 4 hour low. And yeah, pushed down there. Broke that 15 low, which was the 4 hour low. Made a new low. Now that we made that new low, that's something that we were looking for earlier. So now we could be good. We just gotta wait for another candle to close here. Looks good though. Looks good on the 4 hour to continue up. Fake out on the 15. I really like your patience, Nick. Yeah, man. Yep. Anyone jump in for the buys? News ahead. News is coming in. Two minutes for this news. This news, ISM, they're kind of looking at same numbers. Same as the manufacturing PMI. Same, they're expecting same numbers. So they're not really expecting a change. But so far, so good. .45 news coming up. Let me reopen up Magic Keys here. Not bad. 1 hour about to flip bullish again here. So patience, right? Patience. This is what we talked about. We talked about expecting a steeper bottom wick here on the 4 hour time frame, right? We have that now. We talked about this 1 hour candle potentially flipping bullish. The only reason I'm not gonna have a buy stop right now is because the 15-minute candle is about to close. And there's news as well, and it's the last 15 here of the hour candle. So no top wick here. Yeah, we might get a 1 hour celery play here. 1 hour celery is ideal and perfect. 1 hour candle needs to close very similar to how it looks right now. And then we will have buy stops at the break of the high here. We'll also be able to get to use the new 1 hour bottom wick for our stop loss. If it's not steep, then we'll have to use this one, which, ooh, that's pretty steep. Yeah, let's see how this 1 hour candle closes. Hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel too, man. If you haven't subscribed, sub to the channel. Give the stream a like. We got 120 people on here. We got 80 likes. So if we can get the likes up. And if you guys aren't sub to the channel, subscribe to the channel because you're going to get an opportunity to win a 20K challenge account here. 2 lucky winners. Once we get to 1,000 subs, which is coming very, very soon. Hit the sub button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see a 1 hour celery play here. Hit the like button. There you go. I almost dropped my coffee when I heard that sound. Which sound was that? John, you're in school, right? I think John's in school.
Yep.
Yeah. John is in school. Hey, Anthony, did you start that account up? That new account? Is it me or Jay and Tandy talking to each other? They look like they're talking, literally they're side to side on their screen, and it just looks like they're having a conversation.
I'm not even talking to you.
Ah,
Bro, it literally looks like you guys are you see how your videos are right next to each other?
It's like we're part of the Brady Bunch.
It looked like you guys are having a full-blown conversation with each other just now. That's
Wait,
too
how
funny.
can I give him a kiss on the head? Wait.
Just go right on your computer. Whoa. Whoa. That was too funny.
We're just waiting
Hey,
patiently.
yo.
Maybe if your cameras weren't right next to each other, it wouldn't have looked like that. But no, you're the other way. The other way.
Fuck.
That's hilarious. Maybe up news. Yeah, maybe up, maybe down. Let's see what we got going on here. 1 hour. Whoa. Anybody watch any of that hockey? Did the Rangers win?
Oh, hell yeah. Fucking crack it coming. Oh, baby, let's go.
Oh, wow.
Yes, sir.
Hockey?
Oh, wow.
You like hockey, Jay?
Well, them Kraken boys, bro, it's the first year on them, and they've already in the playoffs, so.
That's crazy.
I know, dude.
Uh-oh, John's in prison.
John reporting live from Rikers Island.
Literally in prison.
Prison.
They need to change the tiles at the top of the fucking ed schools and stuff. Put some, I don't know,
That's
something else. Yo, dang.
The good old
That
days.
is a prison.
The good old days. Hey, show 'em my picture. There's a picture of me near the main office, I believe. I'm not sure if it's still up there, but hashtag free John.
Yo. We're gonna be
Hey, yo,
making
where's
shirts.
that?
Free John.
Where's your picture at, bro?
All the way in the main office.
Is that a shuffleboard?
I don't even know.
There's
Oh, yeah, backwards. Fuck.
there's at least 3 people I know of in the chat right now that went to that high school, including myself. Damn, he froze up.
It's over. Ed. I can't wait to be a full-time trader. Not in here.
John's a part-time trader right now. He goes to high school.
Nikolovsky, I got you on the wall, bro.
I'm in prison. Half my other time's in prison.
That's funny.
For real.
1 hour fake out potentially.
You
Potentially.
just
What'd you say?
Uh-oh.
Imagine you just see like the security guard just tackle John right now.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie though, you heard that Texas is actually allowing like armed cops to be at schools, like even like elementary schools and stuff.
That's good. I think they already do that though in like New York and
They do that in New York.
Florida too, I believe. Yeah. They like they have like a cop, like not like a security guard, but an actual cop there.
Yeah, yeah.
I know in my high school they had a cop there for a while.
Just one or like a couple?
Yeah, just one.
They're gonna have like apparently now in like some schools and like most schools in Texas, it's like if you're an ex-cop, you can qualify to like keep the school safe, and then they're basically gonna have one at every door technically, kind of like, you know, keeping it secure and shit.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I was like, damn. Okay.
Sheesh.
Hey, my son was going, my daughter was going to school, and I had, you know, they let me fucking protect it. You damn right I'll be there all 8 hours.
Hopefully they put a cop at the bathroom too. Make sure they direct people. Oh, hey buddy, that's not your bathroom, pal. Right here. I put buys at 1992. Nice.
We had those rent-a-cops at my school.
Yeah, the rent-a-cops. The rent-a-cops.
They were like crossing guards, off-duty crossing guards.
Short schools. Oh, damn. Facts. Yeah, honestly, man, I don't know how kids still go to college. Like, wow.
Because they're promised the dream.
Imagine being in high school, knowing what you know in today's day, and being like, I'm gonna waste the next 4 years of my life. Meanwhile, I can start
into debt.
I can start an internet business right out of high school, make millions of dollars in the next 5 years, and instead I'm just gonna go waste my time at college.
You know what's crazy though, bro? There is a lot of young entrepreneurs now, though.
Oh, yeah, there are
people just starting stuff.
Yep, love that.
Like, there's a lot of people still going to school, but there's a lot of also people that are waking up to the fact that you don't need to go to school to make over $150,000 a year.
Yeah, yep.
You got a new walking dude. Yo, that's amazing. I'll be walking soon. Don't you worry. He's ready. He's ready to go. I'm just trying to wait for the news.
Bro, I'm thinking news is going to give us a massive benchmark here. Hopefully.
Get that liquid.
9.5.
Yeah, 9.5 would be sick. Let's make money then go to walk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's catch this bag real fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Nicholas, before the 40.
What up, man? What up, Lele? The kids are up. What's up? You wanna say hi?
Who's that on play?
Got Maverick.
Bro, Nick, I can't see your camera, bro. Oh, Maverick.
You can't see my camera? Yeah, Maverick's in the house.
Look at him.
Hey, Aliyah, say hi to Tandy and Jay and Uncle John. Say hi.
Come here, Larry.
Say hey,
Come
everyone.
on. Give me that height.
I was looking at some of my videos from a while ago, bro, and I seen that one video. You guys definitely remember where Aliyah was like came through with like her shirt, like one shirt like off her shoulder or whatever. Remember that? Let me see if I can find the video.
I remember that one video Leia was throwing up them gang signs with us.
Yeah, where she was super hyped, dude.
She was ganged out. She was time to eat ganged out. Are these just photos or videos?
Maverick, he's so cute. He's just looking. Look at him. Too cute, man.
Don't be touching my stuff, man. Tandy and Jay, we've been trading before Aliyah was born.
Yup.
Yup.
And Mappy too.
Remember when I told you guys Anna was pregnant?
I remember.
Yeah, dude.
And then I also remember when you wouldn't tell us Mavi's name, but then I got it out of you. I remember that too.
Yeah. That was hilarious, bro. Every day we were trying.
Trying to find this video. Lays, stay on the stream. Hey.
What a fun ride it's been, man. What a just amazing ride.
Amazing ride, ladies and gentlemen. 1
Let's
hour
get done.
candles closing up here in 2 minutes. Trying to find that video and I can't find it.
News in 1 minute.
I should have favored it. Yeah, we got news here in 1 minute. Uno minute.
Yeah, Mavi, what's the bias today?
If I
Bias.
was in
Bias
2016 at
yourself.
this point, I'd be looking at this and I'd be thinking, oh wow.
Scream
this
loud
is
for the
moving,
buys
I
and
have to enter sells. So I would
touch your
enter
dad's
sells.
magic keys for the
Right,
subs.
I
What
would
we
enter
doing?
sells, and sometimes price would retrace, sometimes it would continue pushing
He's
down.
talking about candles
But
with
I
no
would
bottom
look
wick
at
here.
this, impulsive, really attractive move, and I would enter sells. You know, and then what I learned was that okay, even though if I'm and after I lose the trade,
Is that Roger right now? No,
it's
that's
set up
different.
in a perfect way to move again after like an hour and a half. But when I took that first trade and I lost the trade, now when I see the setup, I'm
Hey.
hesitant to enter the setup.
Get out of there.
And the reason I'm hesitant
Oh,
to enter the
wow.
setup because my confidence
There
is
it
down,
goes.
I'm really lost, you know?
Ooh, gap down, mother. Here it is.
Nikolovsky, you should be in.
Damn, son. Come on.
Go to
That's
mama.
a wish.
Oh, come on. Let's go.
That just made a huge gap in my terminal. I've never seen that
Holy.
before.
Dude, that gap down was insane. Here we go. Retest. That's what I want.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
What is
Damn, that was a gap down. 15-minute, literally gap down.
What is it?
That was wild. Big buys are done for the day.
These came out a little bit better than expected, so good for carrying
That's
two
a
basketballs.
bleeder. It's a bleeder, Lily. Keep All right.
Dude, this is like retesting the breakout zone right here. If we find support above here, fucking money to come back up.
No top wick.
Nikolovsky, you sweating, my man?
Why is he in the mines?
He's tapped in.
You sweating, brother?
He may have had a. It has to come back up and hit it, right? Oh, that's probably doing it right now. At 92, I think he said, right?
We've seen news before, good for the dollar, but still gold goes up, so we shall see. This should be the zone. What you gonna do, gold?
Dang, son. Can't find it. GJ, nothing. Hey, how about that bottom wick on that 4 hour, eh? Holy.
Will she hold?
For those that got in and started removing their removing the stop loss, pushing it down. At first it was right there, and I said, oh shit, oh crap. Yeah. It's like that meme. Hey, what are you doing with that one? That one dude? He's like, nothing?
Oh, just nothing.
Nothing?
You know, me hanging around.
Bleeder. Touching NY open. If we can hold buys back up to retest the highs. Everyone with FOMO today. I told you guys, it's going to be a big week of people blowing accounts, but it's going to be a profitable week for those who can. I'm out. That hurt. Ooh. All good, bro. What did we... Oh, Scott. This guy Scott, bro. Takes the words out of my brain. Takes the words right out of my head. What did we learn?
This is important, dude. This is what changed me as well. Stuff like that, right before news.
Sup, dude? Sup, dude? Sup, dude? We got a bleeder, Uncle Scalp. We got a bleeder. Bro, where's Sam?
For real.
Sam is
I feel
missing.
like Mondays and Fridays.
Sam goes
him.
ghost. He's a midweek type of guy.
It's all good, Nikolovsky. It's all good.
Share recent
You got a previous buy stop on there.
Nothing here for me. How to buy at 1992, stop loss at 98. Oh yeah, tapped. Tapped. Tapped.
Okay, Red. Okay. Okay. And then with a little M&M on there. Good defense to be patient. Ooh.
Yeah, we never trade news. Not anymore. Not anymore.
Yeah. Some people gotta learn that lesson on their own, though, you know.
Bars.
Yeah, honestly, I've done better than I have worse during news, but I still choose not to trade it anymore.
Oh. Small slab.
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Yo, turn that. Yeah.
Yo, Bigos, stop stream hopping.
Yo, that's toxic, bro.
I don't have a note.
Do you have the YouTube on your surround sound or something? You got that thing full blast?
Full blast.
Me?
No, because.
Oh.
That's how you sound, Tandy, when you come on sometimes.
Really?
Echo.
Yeah, because you're
I wasn't
back
even,
talk.
But I have everything turned off on here. That's
Because
weird.
you joined?
Bicos is here, right?
Is it?
Yeah. What up,
I'm not-
Bicos? Bicos be ghost. Bicos be ghost sometimes. And then he pops back up like, yo.
My man's like Casper.
He's like Casper.
I want to fit.
I feel like he's using the original Xbox microphone.
Serious? No, I'm gonna read it.
It's okay, small lot word. Admit Nick. What's that mean? What does that mean? Oh, we got a bleeder, boys. Hey, previous 4, no bottom wick either. Daily back to bearish here. Honestly, I wouldn't. That makes sense for a weekly bottom wick, right? Need some sort of a weekly, monthly bottom wick. Looks like we got it now. Weekly candle flipping back to bullish.
Yo,
Yo.
what's his name? Candy?
You getting muscles now?
No, he's going away.
Maybe this is the range we live in till Wednesday, yeah. Yeah, Wednesday's the big day of the week. Wednesday and Friday. That's the big day. Sheesh, pushed all the way back down to 86 here. Nasty.
The mic still sounds gas.
That's good now.
News to on gold. Instant humbled.
Oh, that's the best it's ever been.
You took anything today, bro? Nope, nothing. No trades. No trades.
Here we go. We're gonna go walk. Let's see.
Just want to go walk that.
You gonna walk the dog? All right, Odin. Put in that work for us, Odin.
Come on, we need it.
Woden's in the building. GJ 15-minute buys. GJ's a bank holiday today, so probably not. We got a bank holiday on the pound, and the pound is the only thing that's moving GJ around right now. The yen is closed, so probably won't be touching GJ here today. Odin, come on. Let's go, Odin.
Dude, he's really excited right now. I haven't seen him like this in a while.
Wow, broke the highs here. Crazy. Crazy. This daily time frame has been a big issue on gold. This is where all of our issues are stemming from. Is this daily time frame here. Once we can get a solid breakout, then we should be good.
Yeah, overall bullish trend is holding though.
Yeah, I want to see a close above this resistance here. Super choppy, man. This is just the nasty range we're in. Very, very nasty. Walk that dog. Walk that dog.
Shout you out on Instagram. You might get a few thousand followers.
Oh, snap.
Oh, okay.
Sheesh, Pico's is
Hey,
up.
as long as I got your influence, I know I'm ahead of the game.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Humbled it real fast. Because I didn't know you were like that, bro. What about me?
Right? Get Tandy some followers too. He's selling dolphin milk now. Dolphin milk protein shakes.
I'll drink that. Dude. Fine.
Yeah man, yeah man. What do you do with this, chat? What do you do with it? What do you do with this? No top and bottom wicks all day here today. Looks like nothing for me. Looks like I'm gonna go and enjoy the day here pretty soon, cause I don't see much. Dolphin milk tap in, yes sir, for sale. This is actually the point where I was potentially looking for sells earlier. Below this level here. Gold be like, F the numbers, I'm going down. Gold's bleeding. Bleeder. It's a bleeder. We had a juicer and then a bleeder. All in one day. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? I know some of y'all took the juicer and then the bleeder and made profit. And I know some of y'all took the juicer and the bleeder and lost money. Or some of you guys just did break even. Break even? GJ has no structure. You look left on the 30-minute after the highs break. Yeah, the only thing with GJ, like I said, is you got a bank holiday here, so not really expecting anything major. You may get a push with London close, but that's probably about it. $12 pips. It's a 12 pip range. Play that video again. Lots of blown accounts say, yeah, you bet. Yup. Blown my account just today. Ooh.
Damn.
Ooh. After a game plan session with yourself over this weekend saying, this is my week. I am not going to be weak. This is going to be my week. That I will not be weak. And then once the volume comes in, buy. Stacking positions. Throw that out the window. I know I had this whole game plan written up. Out the window. I've been there.
I've never actually like blown an account before. Like, how much people risk to get rid of an account?
Damn, lucky you.
The whole account.
I have. I remember one time I put $700 or $800 in an account and I showed John and I was like, here we go, baby. This one's gonna be it.
10 minutes later.
Yo, nah, I'm not even gonna lie. Like 10, 15 minutes later, just the account destroyed, bro.
Bro.
I'm
Nick,
like,
remember that one time we had Tandy's friend in the chat and he took the challenge that same day and he fucking blew it that same day.
I remember that.
He got like the 100K one too.
That
so
shit was hilarious. He's like,
$500.
I'm out.
Short term pleasure, gang. Never good. Never good. Yeah, that was nuts, man.
Like supposedly he's killing it in futures now. He already got like a funded account, so.
Oh, nice.
He found his way.
There we go. Perfect.
Yep.
Fail your way to success. That's how it is sometimes.
He really pushed through it.
Yeah, that's good, man. You got to, man. If you want to make it happen in anything, you just got to push through it.
But it kind of makes sense. I mean, he was really fast with his trades and stuff, and that's kind of what futures is, you know? It's super fast.
They
I
trade
mean,
like the
you can
1
trade
minute,
1 minute
right?
time frame and do the same shit.
Yeah, and that's what he does. He goes like down to the 10-second.
Yeah. Makes no sense to put a lot of position. Yo, I used to open up a $1,000 account and just straight up rip like 6 lots right out the gate.
Going for gold, baby.
2 trades, account blown. Yeah, man. I bought. You know what? What did I say? What am I to do, right? Besides refund the account, and try and take a lesson and try and do better on the next one, right? It's only failure if you quit.
Very true. Very, very true.
All that failure got me to the point where some months I have a 90% win rate now, you know, because I just learned from the failure, you know, not to do that. Hurt, don't do that again, right? Just sometimes you got to get hurt multiple times, but eventually you can learn. I've also learned to, you know, not take a lot of trades, right? Like sometimes I would make a nice bag in the morning and then by the end of the session blow the whole thing. So it's like you gotta kind of take what the market's gonna give you and don't be too greedy. Me and Jay were on one day. I was up a nice amount and I'm like, yo, I was up like $500 or something on the day, and I'm like, I could turn this to 1,000. Bro,
Yo,
I risked it. One trade blew my whole 500. I was tight that day, man. I think that was a Friday, and I had to sit with that shit the whole weekend. So it's not worth it.
Exactly.
It's not worth it.
That's the thing about it too. I feel like trading does, and we're having a conversation about that with Bicos, is that, you know, putting into this in perspective, right? People say, "Oh, I only made $200," but if you make $200 consistently every day for a month, that's 5 G's, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
tell me somewhere
exactly.
else you're making 5 G's in a month. You ain't doing that shit at a regular. You ain't making $200 out of 9 to 5. Don't tell me that shit. So when people say, "Oh, you know, $200, that's nothing," it's like, but bro, if you were to get a job anywhere right now, even with a degree or whatever the hell you went to
Yeah.
school for, are you gonna be making $200 a day?
Yeah, max,
Probably
right?
not.
That, yeah.
You know what I mean?
It's
like
so
everybody's
true.
like, no, like, I'm not making 1,000. I ain't shit. I ain't this. I ain't that. It's like, bro, you can grow from 200 to 100, 300 to 500. You get yourself to 1,000, you're gonna get there. It's just all a matter of like taking the steps to get there. Everyone just wants to rush that shit. They want to be the millionaire trader right fucking now.
Yep. No, that's a huge nugget. That's a huge nugget for anyone new or anyone that's just kind of still spinning their tires. Like, you know, don't be afraid to start small, right?
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to just start small and just grow from there, right? Grow at your own pace. Don't worry about what's going on with my account, Jay's account, with anyone's account, right? Just focus on your own account and taking good quality trade setups. That's all you need to focus on. The money will
and
come.
Just learning from the people you're watching. Like if you're watching Nick, look at what he's doing. Understand why he's doing that. See what he's looking at, and then incorporate that into your own style. Because everyone's not the same.
Right.
You know what I mean? So
and remember,
he says it too. He's learned from Don Bo and Raja.
Yeah.
2 different people, 2 different types of traders right there. We got one very risky, aggressive trader as Raja, and then we also have the somewhat aggressive but not as risky Don Bo. Right?
Yeah.
Get a little bit from both sides.
Yeah. And you
and
can't.
My man Nick right here, before he was a famous YouTube streamer, his nickname was Sir Risks a Lot. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know that.
Yeah. Heavy on the risk.
He was heavy, and I'm not gonna lie to you. He motivated me to take on more risk because this man was stacking positions before me, and he was showing me. He's like, bro, and I'm like, damn, bro, fuck, I need to get on here. I'm like, I need to start stacking this shit. And I started doing it, and here I am. So
yeah, man.
Yeah, always learn from the people you're with.
Yeah, and just keep in mind that the money comes secondary to the skill. The skill needs to be first. Money will come once you learn the skill. Don't try and do it the opposite way just to secure a bag 1 week, because the next week you're probably gonna blow it. Mm-hmm. So get the skill down. The money will come with that. Take the money for the level that you're at, whether it's $50, $100, $200, and start there and just hone in on mastering the skill set. Once the skill set's mastered, then then you can go get $1 million account. And you don't change anything. You just stay same discipline, same way, and you now can make more money because your percentage is a lot higher. I remember Nick posted about
that's facts, bro.
10 pips a day and it's stuck. Yeah, man.
It's like you can't if you can make 10% of like 10K account, you can't even make 10% of like $1 million account.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Shit. What's 1% of $1 million? 10 grand, right? So if you could focus on
100K.
It's 100 grand on $1 million.
I mean, 100 grand. So if you could
100 grand is 1K.
No, 10K is 1% of $1 million.
10K? No. 10K is 1% of 100, isn't it? No.
No, 10K is 1% of $1 million.
Yeah, you're right. No,
Yeah.
you're right. Yep.
So if you can make 1% on a 10K account, all you need to do is develop the skill, and then all you do is up the capital. You don't change anything when you have more capital. You just do the same thing, and now your 1% goes from $10 or $100, right, on your 10K account to $10,000 on your $1 million account. Right, so nothing should change besides the capital. If you have a winning system, just keep on running that play until, and as your capital begins to grow, your profits will begin to grow.
Facts. Yeah, it's all percentages.
Yeah. 80% every day, new strategy videos, 90% accurate indicator. Do this, do that. Yeah. Don't fall for the gimmicks either. Yeah, like John said, an account is an account. If you can't trade a small account, you won't be able to trade a big account. Yep. Yep. Money is secondary. Just remember this. A lot of you guys are here, you focus so much on making money. That's irrelevant right now, right? Nail down a system, nail down a strategy, get disciplined to that, and then the money will start to follow. April month, first, second week has been good, really good, and then the third and the fourth week, I rush the process and lose all the gains. Just one day a month close that be the blown account. What is it you did wrong? You simply deviated from what you did week 1 and week 2, right? Week 1 and week 2 was really good. And this is what you did wrong. You answered your own question. I rushed the process. That's what you did wrong. So that's the only thing you did wrong, bro. All you have to do is not deviate from what worked in the first 2 weeks. And guess what? The next 2 weeks it'll work fine. Right? Just can't deviate. Yep. Yeah, you started rushing. There's no rush. No need to rush. No need to
That's
rush.
way better than Tandy's dog, bro.
Well, welcome then, and let's see what's up.
Oh, what? My dog.
What's his name?
What's the dog?
Oh god.
You have a chill dog. That dog's radioactive. It's been outside all day, dog. It's feral.
I know I left him out in the rain and shit. It's okay.
This guy said I left him out in the rain and shit, like it was as if it was his like dirt bike or something, not a living being.
Oh my god. You're so funny, bro.
Your dog is built for war.
Yeah, you
bro.
see those
Walk out in the rain. You
those-
gotta have some.
those GJPYs weren't it, man. You're probably gonna just range today.
Yeah. Holiday, most likely.
Develop the skill, yes sir, RedFX. Develop that skill and then worry about making money. Nothing sells here, no sells here. Nope. Not looking the hottest for sells. 15-minute close with no bottom wick. We may have our opportunity to push back up here. See, we would have been in right here if we had a bottom wick. Right, this was pretty predictable. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes, and then we'll have an idea of what's going on. Take a look at Nas. I sell in the 1 hour. Let's take a look. Oh, someone said take a look at GU. Let's take a look at GU. Let's take a look at your Nas 100 sell. Sold at the 1 hour. Nice. Bleeder. It's a bleeder. GU sell, yep, perfect. No bottom wick, no top wick. Oh, you're in on a sell, let's go. Where'd you enter? Where'd you enter and why? $1.255, nice. Take profit right around where you're at now, because you're running into this zone here. So you have a clean range coming back down though. Good. Back scratcher.
My back scratcher's busy right now.
Not for long. Alright. So this candle closed. Let's take a look. It's the final straw for the day here. Close bullish below, so nothing you can do with the buys. 30-minute close bearish. But the issue is the support is really right here, so you close right above. 1 hour is still open with no top wick. Looking like a no trade day here, boys and girls. We really didn't do much here today. We just pushed up and then pushed back down. Overall, kind of stuck here in this 4 hour sideways nonsense. Yep, right back to where we started. Right back to where we started the day. $15-minute isn't too bad. The only thing is that there's this right here that we didn't close above. Because this line is based off of the 30-minute, not the 15. GJ, nothing. Good things come to those who wait. Yep. I'm off to the beach. See you tomorrow. Enjoy the beach, my friend. Enjoy the beach, Pablo. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, what do we got? We got USD news at 10, so we're good. We're clear all morning tomorrow again. 10 p.m. you got job openings. Got some news later on in the day. Not bad. Wednesday's the big day here this week. And obviously
What's
Friday.
FOMC.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yup. FOMC's on Wednesday. We'll probably do 2 streams on Wednesday. One in the morning, one in the afternoon.
Make sure y'all tap into the afternoon session. That's the rowdiest session. That's when everybody's awake.
That's the rowdy session. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. That's about it. I don't think we're gonna get any positions here. If I do take anything, I'll call it in the signals chat. But other than that, man, that's gonna be it. Gonna be it for the day.
Yes, sir.
All right, chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Should have some nice opportunities here tomorrow. I want to see how this daily candle closes as well, but we're in just super choppy here in the daily, man. But weekly looks like we're all set with a bottom wick. If we go any lower, we're gonna break that weekly low. So yeah, but daily's our problem. Daily's our big issue here. So we'll see how this daily candle closes. We'll come back tomorrow. And yeah, it's Monday, so nice easy day here. But yeah, y'all have a good day. Go do something nice for somebody today, right? Go give back a little bit. And we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Aight?
Awesome.
Peace.
Peace, ladies and gents. Later, chat. Love you guys. Like and sub on the way out, and we'll see you mañana.
Later.
Later, boys. Peace.